Hey traders, welcome to episode 357, a special episode, a historical episode. I've never done content creation in my life without a beard, without facial hair, so welcome to history. You're all a part of it. Thanks so much. Wow. Well, no joke, Spa. I'm not here to please your, your eyes, okay? If you don't like the way I look. I don't know. How long have I known you, dude? I've streamed for like an entire year with a beard, dude. Okay, you had all year for a beard. Okay, but things have happened in my life where I've decided to flip the switch, as they would say in Cobra Kai, or change it up a little bit. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so glad y'all are here, all of you. Okay, so Bitcoin has still not been able to exceed the 786 3951. Still just kind of sitting up there, right? Sitting up there, just kind of in la land, just stalling, right? Had a nice red candle. I think it's bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, it's like a bearish engulfing candle. Probably just consolidating, setting up for some slightly lower prices. But hey, man, here's the thing. We were at 86, 87 on the RSI. Now we're back down to like 70 or something. So, whatever, man. Okay. I mean, it's just kind of, the price action and these streams from day stream to night stream, they don't change much. Not too much changes. And that's it, man. Okay, so, I don't know. I think Alex Cobb said at some point, 4K tonight, man. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't think so. I mean, we're not too far off. I mean, only like $100 off. But, man, you'd have to break to a brand new fib node to get there. I don't know how we will. Okay, but you were overbought. Maybe we could just keep selling off a little bit more. I mean, it would probably be the healthiest thing to do in a breakout situation, to go back test, look, run back down to the 20 moving average, the old resistance, use it as support, then bullishly engulf, and then run again after you've made it back down to like 55, 50, 60 on the RSI, so you have plenty of room to run again, so you can become overbought like crazy again. Okay, that's like probably what you want to do. That's like the healthy behavior that you'd be looking for. Okay. Yeah, I know, I look like I'm 12 years old, right? I mean, that's... Guess what, man? People like that look sometimes, right? You'll get used to it, I guess, right? For now, I don't know, I'll grow it out again. It doesn't take long, dude. I have insanely fast-growing beard follicles or whatever, dude. It'll grow back. Let's take a look at some chat, just because it's why not? That's what we do anyway. All right, always. What's up, Rami, Eric Coffeen, Aramis, Billy Man? I don't even know when this started. I set up a schedule, so I don't know, man. So I think people were in here before. What's up, Pat McLaughlin, Billy Dudes, Anthony Rossano, Josh Bell, hello, Mac Daddy, Julia. My face, yep, my face, holy crap. Where's my beard? Yep. Sorry, Zachary, man, to disappoint you, okay? Yeah, the beard was iconic, right? It was nice, but whatever. You know what? Other things were nice too, and I don't have those anymore. Okay, I must earn my beard back. Is it too loud? Give me audio check on the music. I'm sure like it might be a little loud, so just let me know. Yeah, Greg, exactly. What's up, Eric, Mr. Speedy? People probably like downvoting before everyone loud because like, he said it's the end of the bear market, man. It's like, no, you just don't know how to read. Okay. Who is this? Where's Mitch? Alex, man? Part of him died. Okay, part of him died, and I am someone else. All right. 20-year-old me? No, not at all. Could have a clean change. Yeah, dude, I needed it bad. What's up, Wald Magello? Airman. What's up, Armand? 589 1G project. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. Hey, Phil Centura's here? What? Nuh-uh. Where? Why would you say his name, but he's not here? Jack Black, sorry you don't like the beard. Or you did like the beard so much that you're unsubbing. Okay. Thanks, Josh. Hey, Jerome. Yeah, I'm fake. It's me. It's fake Mitch. What's up, Wolf of Worcester, John W, Nexus of Hate. Thanks, man. A lot of mixed responses to this. Okay, so crazy weather. Hey, Antonio. Kid, where is Mitch? Or Mick? I don't know who Mick is, dude. I look naked. Yep. What's up, Melissa? I look 5 years younger, Robert Kurt. Yeah, thanks, man. That's what happens when you shave, right? Flipped the script, man. Hey, Bradford. Is he just gonna move on with TA like nothing happened? Yeah, dude. I get it, man. All right, I get it. There's Phil, dude. What's up, man? I'll be asked for ID everywhere. Yeah. I was never asked for ID with the beard, man. But yeah, I'll probably be getting it now. Okay, glad you like it, man. Thank you, dude. What's up, Charles? BNB, Mitch, Eager. Yeah, look at BNB. Sure, man. What's up, McPants? Coach K, Ultra Instant Jesus, man. I'm going to work for UBS, JP Morgan. Are we screwed? Yeah, dude, I'm going, man. Yeah, dude.
Hello, Unbearded Mitch. Can we try a fib channel on BTC Coinbase? Bottom of deck 15 and February 8th. Top trend line at deck 24th. It's what I've been looking at since February 8th.
Okay, let's see here. Hold on a sec. Try to get this right. Fib channel, okay. Bottom of December, February 8th. Top trend line. Oh. Okay, you're doing the upsloping channel now. Well, I don't know, man. Like, so he's saying something like doing a fib channel like this, 1 and 2 and 3, or 3 here. Top trend line at the 24th of December. Okay. Heartline 25, heartline 20, heartline upsloping. Yeah, but what about this chop? What about this craziness here, right? What about the craziest? Well, you know, and the thing is, yeah, I mean, maybe at this point we could do that because you've made the higher low. It's confirmed, right? So let's get rid of that real quick. Just look, okay. Get rid of the fibs. Check it out. So you're literally cherry picking a little bit, right? You're using the middle when you could have used this one or this one, right? So if you do it like that, it looks like there was 25% resistance, 25 support, resistance, support, resistance. That's not bad, man. That's really not bad, man. Okay, the way you look at it. But I'm kind of freaked out. I mean, look, the thing is, if we have broken out or whatever, here's the uptrend, right? Don't fall below 3,500, right? 3,500 is the no-go zone. You don't fall below that, then you're going to start making lower lows, right? Well, you'll eventually start doing that. So, interesting perspective, LPLT, dude. Very cool. We can leave it like that. See how it goes, dude. But if that's the case, you're the heartline. That means you're definitely in store for probably a pullback, right? I mean, that's how it goes, dude. So, I don't know, man. We've hit our targets. We're happy. We're content. We made our money. We still got money in the game, but that's just for the windfall if it happens. Okay, let's see here. There's that wick. Okay, so maybe, but I don't know, man. I'm a little weirded out because you're just cherry picking this part, but I guess like if you do it like this, look at the wicks you're getting on the top side back here. Interesting perspective. Digging it, man. And if you made it pinpoint accurate, then you were right there, dude. Right at it. Very interesting. Nice, dude. Very cool. What's up, Beach Life, man? Gaming Crypto, hello. I'm freaking you out. Everyone's freaking out, dude. Okay. Everyone's freaked out. Maybe try a fancy hat. Yeah, there we go. Fancy hat. You're excited for the stubble phase? You know, I technically have some stubble. I didn't even use the real razor. I used just clippers, man. Got all this off of clippers, dude. It's a below, dude. You're about to call it the spelling error? Get wrecked, dude. No, Dominique. Learn how to read, man. Because the bear market is not over. Audio's just right. Yeah, okay, we can look at that. That's the ICX or whatever. IIXC. I don't remember what it is. We'll look at it, yeah. Some Morgan Freegan, dude. Shaving so much work, but so is meant to. Yeah, dude, it's like, it's whatever. It's I've learned it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, dude. Thanks, Emma B. Appreciate that. What's up, Saint Gang Gang SD? 100 years from now, it doesn't matter. Yeah, Billy. Good outlook, dude. Thanks, Floyd. I'm a babyface verge pumper. Yeah, dude. Tim, thanks. All right, I like this. Just interesting, dude. We've never done this before. Okay, this has never been done in this community, so it's like taking a little bit, taking a step back and just looking. Okay, because I've been through a lot the past few days, and this is just definitely something I needed, because I definitely think, I don't know, man. I'm probably just gonna be entering the dating scene or something. Because it's not like I was devastated to a point where, oh, I need time. I need time. Like I was in a 6-year relationship. Like, it's nothing like that. So, I'm full well ready to roll again. Thanks, Dan, dude. Cliff Martin. Beard TA. We've hit the 100% retrace. Right? Yeah, I'm going to shave my eyebrows. No, I'm definitely not going with a Fu Manchu or whatever they're called. It's a black collar crypto, man. Any thoughts on a new coin? Billionaire Bill called that? No, dude. No thoughts on that at all. Okay, I can put Lil Zilica on the list. Sure, man. I don't know, man. We've been looking at it and it was just like, ugh. Drunk Mitch on Thursday will be hilarious. Why do we have to wait till Thursday? Kappa. Babyface week, yep. So, dude. Holy crap, man. Talking about bringing back Viking Night. No, I've made it now to a point like where, if the jar fills up, the chat will get to select which prop hat they want me to wear. Like, right, if the jar ever filled up again, like, I'm not saying it will or ever will again, but if it does fill up, it's like automatic chat votes on what they want, what hat, and I put it on, like right there, then and there for the rest of the stream. So we extend it on for, I guess, a minimum of an hour, right? If say it was later or something. So that's the way we're doing it. We're not doing milestones anymore, because milestones don't work, because people will buy subs to troll maybe, and then all of a sudden, like, I remember one day I lost like 100 subs. Like, I don't even know what happened, but we're just doing it to where people can be in control, but there's no way to exploit it. Okay. Thanks, RF Dusty, man. What's up, Dumb Broad? Randy Schulz. My little brother. Yeah, dude. That's it. What's my opinion on potential Adam and Eve double bottom BH? We had it, man. There it is. It's clear. It's like signified. It's identified on the chart. But are you talking about coming back down and hitting 3340 and then going again? That's all speculative. No idea, man. No idea. Why is this more brutal than the bear market? I don't understand. It's just an aesthetic change. Nothing changed besides my beard and stuff, right? Oh, that's it. IXIC. IXIC. Yeah, sorry, man. Like, a lot of tickers. IXIC. MK, right? That's what I'm supposed to do. So, Tower Hill. Hey, Crypto Kiwi, man. Thanks. Miranda, yeah, I'll put it on the list. Black Rock Depths from Warcraft. Sure. We'll look at the dungeon. It's an old one. What's up, Todd V? Yeah, I'm gonna get a face tat. I could join CX network then, right? Thanks, Billy. How far am I expecting this retrace? Oh, I have no idea. No one really ever does. Okay, but I'll tell you where the common retrace zone is. I'll tell you that. Your common retrace zone, if this was the swing high, which I don't think we technically really know yet, right? We haven't even hit 23% retrace, 38.25. You normally want to hit a 23% retrace before you even know the swing high has been established.
Mitch, bye, brother. I need you to look at INND and KGKG. Thank you, drink and be merry.
Okay, OTC needs a look, man. Thanks so much, dude. For the 13, 37. Elite contribution. Thanks, man. Yeah, we'll look at it after Ripple, whatever. Okay, so I don't even know if the swing lows or swing highs established yet. Okay, normally you wait. But if we were to really hit that and we're starting to sell off more, the golden zone for a retrace, right here. Oops, sorry, wrong tool. They look similar. You know what I'm talking about. Price range too. Anywhere between 35.88 and 37.34. The way I had my channel plotted before, a back test would put you around that 3,800 area. So it's really not a bad retrace. Okay, so there you go, man. That's your common retrace if this was in fact the swing high we were looking for. Okay, that's it. But I think it's probably, it looks good. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, man, it's hard. You can't update all your charts all the time. Okay, there you go. Ethereum continuing to sell off after hitting that 786 right on the dot. We're running back down to 20 moving average, 142.13. Probably gonna touch that at some point. That was. Thank you, Fibs, so much. You've been so helpful. My God, you stalled at the 382, consolidated, then ran again, hit the 618, and even 786. Beautiful. Thank you, Fibs. We love you, and we're grateful for you, Fibs. Okay. Remember to show your gratitude to Fibs. Tell them once they do what they are supposed to, and they help you and give you vision, thank them. Okay. Low to high. See, even here, we have not even made a 23% retrace, which is literally right at that 20 moving average, right at 141.38. And if you were to make a real retrace from this whole impulse, oh my God, you're looking between 121 and 133.94. Okay, that's like the area if this is to make a common retrace and then run again. Okay, so I mean, look, man, I'm not saying that you can't hit the 236 and bounce. You very well can. Look, we're already out of overbought territory, already down to 60, so that's pretty good on Ethereum. Just don't know when the reversal will come again, if it'll be a shallow or more moderate retrace. You'd hope to expect to see us bounce at around 135, hold the support that is upsloping, okay, back from February 8th and February 17th, anchor points. So if that's the case, 134, you've still got like 10, 11 more dollars to go before you hit the bottom again. But still high risk area for any kind of long position because you should have taken profit already if you were trading this. Dude, seriously, if you were trading this, man, we hit a 382 and a 618, even a 786. What do you even want anymore, man? Like, that's it. That's swing trading. Holy crap. So, Motec just got me on a rant. Gartley pattern in my Tinder profile. Oh yeah, dude. They would know exactly what that is, dude. Thanks, Peter Pan, man. Appreciate it, dude. Whew, holy crap. Hey, Jay Aber, dude. Appreciate it. Where's my... I was just being really quiet right now. You thought the beard marker was a typo, Stuart? Oh no, not at all, man. You know I'm pedantic. I'm super pedantic about things, okay? I need a fake beard for Viking Night. How much for a jar to fill up? That's unable to answer that, dude. You could throw in 333s all night, you know, like it just all depends. So now that you've gotten over your shook, you can hit the like. Thanks, man. Hey, Randy Schulz. Bitcoin price milestones, dude, Miss Cantamo. Then like it's in no one's hands. Then it's like not even a troll can get it there, right? So BH. I'm trying to get through all this chat. There's a lot of it, and you know it's an historical night. Okay. Dude, Bradley Abel's here, man. What's up, dude? Is Bitcoin finally going to 4,800? Uncertain, man. Uncertain. Our trade's mostly, for the most part, complete, and we're just waiting for pattern development now. We don't have pattern development. We've made a nice impulse, and we were overbought, and we're literally waiting now. We waited and got our entries, and we waited some more, and then our first target hit, and we waited, and then our second target hit. Well, you know, obviously took profit on those targets, but like, we're just waiting now, man. We're waiting to see what's going to go on. We need more data, dude. All we've done on Ethereum is make a lower high than your previous high. That's all we've done so far. Tattoo mustaches on my fingers. Do you like that, man? Perfect, man. Perfect. There we go. If we hit 200 likes, I'll get a tattoo of Thomas Wilkowski on my right shoulder.
Mitch my sensei, the no beard thing looks great. The Mayoral Greenbow, Alabama. Could you look at BNB? Thank you. 3 dodecillion 333 udecillion 333 decillion 333 nonillion 333 octillion 333 septillion 333 sextillion 333 quintillion 333 quadrillion 333 trillion 333 billion 333 million 333,333 Larry Bird fireworks for cyber.
Practical dip.
Thanks, Neil Perch for the 589. Thanks for the compliment, man. Okay, I don't know. Some people love it, some people hate it, some people don't care. Most people don't care, but that's okay, man. That's life. XRP though, yeah, we'll look at it. BNB, Ben Breaks one. But hey, man, hey, Codman the King, man. I don't even know if you were here earlier. We talked about it. Dude. What we say, man? What we say? 35.4 cents, right? 35.4 cents. Where did we go, Alex? Where did we freaking go, man? Well, we actually, it looks like we went to 35.4 cents. And then sold off. Get wrecked, right? How insane are fibs, Cobman? Okay. So the common retrace zone was hit. It was touched. It was sun-kissed and then sold off, right? That trend line that you can't break. You're starting to get below it again a little bit. You know, you're right at it. Come on, dude. Stop being a scrub and get above this 75% trend line that we've never, ever been able to sustain prices above. Freaking all year, man. You can get above it for a moment, but then you're just done, and then you dump again. Dump, dump. I feel like this is just a little loud. Hey, look. Hey, this song's called A New Beginning. How, apropos, man. How amazing. Okay, so XRP, dude. We've made a run up. The falling wedge, minimum target. One of the minimum targets was hit. That's it, man. Okay. We've done our part. As you know, chartists. Okay, so I don't really know. Pattern development. Wait on Bitcoin. See what happens on Bitcoin. Okay. I think you could probably hit higher targets, but it's going to require positive price action from the one coin to rule them all, which we know is Bitcoin. All right, so whew, we were close, man. We were close. Dude, how close were we, John, man? Look at this, dude. I mean, it's not like, you know, it's not like always like it's set in stone, but we got so almost there, dude, right? You gapped up and just sold off all day. All freaking day. Okay, so the golden retrace zone on the falling wedge breakout didn't hit it, but you were freaking close, man. That's it. I don't know what to tell you, dude. Back to scrub world. Okay, back to scrub world. You know, these prices, it crapped out. It couldn't break or sustain prices above a 200 MA on the 4 hour, and that's it, man. Like, you had bullish divergence, but that's why we got the pop, and I don't know, man. You're bouncing off the 20 moving average. You'd expect still, like, if you didn't hit your target, you were that close, man. You may never get there again, but you got to be somewhat optimistic that maybe we'll continue on, stand above the moving average. But, dude, not likely. Like, right? Dude, look at this thing. Is just scrubby. It's still lower high. Didn't even make a 38% retrace. Okay, so we'll see, man. Just your target haven't hit, but we still expect 5.8 cents to 8.5 cents. That's interesting. That's it, man. Got some work to do on this one. Been a minute. Man, we had an awesome rising wedge. Let's just clean it up a little bit. Dude, it really all ended with the rising wedge. How amazing is that, right? Before the real dump. Now our setup like hit like the next day, like that next morning. But like you could see it like ran back up and then dumped again. Like just whew. It's uptrending. Uptrending. Seems somewhat. I don't know, man. Anchoring 1 and 2 here. 3 here. That's not bad, dude. Heartline resistance, support, resistance. Yeah, it's a good little scope of vision to see what's kind of going on, I guess, with this thing. So you know, like if you break below like 6.4 cents, you're screwed. But hey, man, you're above the 50 and 200, but you're now below the 20. All right, so all we did from a high point to low point was retrace 62% of the way twice, kind of like double top there, and have since sold off. So it's a lower high than your previous high, though you did make seems like some sort of breakout here. You made your common retraces after the impulse down, right? And now you're selling off. That's like common stuff. So, I mean, you're still uptrending, it seems, right? Yeah, nice sideways and then huge explosion up, big retrace, 50%, 62% retrace, and you rallied, but again, you're just making lower highs. So hopefully maybe you can pivot somewhere and run again and make a higher high than this high. Otherwise, if you don't make a higher high than this high or you double top, it's probably gonna be breaking down. OTC, Kona Gold Solutions. Okay, man, that's it, man. There's just not, I don't know, like too much structure on these. Whoa, baby, whoa. How about that? Hey, all-time highs on BNB, dude. All-time highs. I think it probably popped right when that decentralized exchange news came out. Don't think our stuff's saved, but yep, rising wedge. Why didn't it play out? Well, overwhelming demand, buying pressure, right? You just couldn't break it below a retrace, right? So the 100% retrace, right? If you can sustain prices above this 26,581 area, that target, the 1272, 30,463 for real. Like you could have a runaway because there's no resistance. You're in outer space now. That's it, man. It's a all-time highs breakout. So there is a chance, especially with all the good news with it going on, with the market conditions kind of getting a little bit better. I'm not saying the market conditions are now bullish, but I'm just saying it's better than it was, man. Okay. Anyway, we could run up to that area. Very real possibility. Okay. So let's get rid of the wedge and stuff. It's not really relevant to us. It doesn't help us anymore, right? It does look like you have some sort of ascending broadening wedge, though. Definitely. Oh, that's beautiful, dude. That's a beautiful ascending broadening wedge. Is that not? Wow. Megaphone. Right, the impulse up, and then the consolidation is upsloping. And this could be, unfortunately, this could, if we don't get all the way up here, 30,000 area at the top trend line, you can get yourself a partial rise, and you might have a very elevated chance of breaking down and then selling off. And if this ever played out, okay, we ever came back down, measure move of this pattern, wherever you broke out, would just be to the bottom anchor point of the bottom trend line, right? That's it. That'd be your measure move. And secondary target, easy. We should do low to high, wherever we find the high, and then we would get the 1272 the secondary target. But for now, if we ever like didn't make it up there and we sold off, then you're seeing an exhaustion pattern right now. But hey, man, plenty of room to run if you want. You're not overbought, but you just were. When you impulsed up, you did have that. So huge spike in positive momentum. Beautiful, man. All right. There's your BNB. Okay, dude. I look better without a beard, BH. Thanks, man. It's the first person I think that said that tonight. None of this feels right for a top, Mr. Spinner, man. That's weird. Feels? Do your feels come from technical analysis, or they just come from your heart? Verge has their team have good hearts. I'm not going to frame a picture of a Gartley on my wall. I don't know, maybe that sounds like a good idea. The harmonic house, I need to have harmonics in every room of my house, like a different framed photo, picture, whatever, print of a Gartley or crab or shark or, you know, bat, cipher, yeah. C-Dog, I don't think any price, not even 100,000. Never would I do that in a billion years. Okay. Sorry. Good to hear it, Stuart, man. Always good to see you, dude. I'm just really behind on chat, trying to catch up. Do I even think the bus driver? We don't have buses here. Okay, we don't have like public services, low taxes, but you know, it's a trade-off. Sorry. Oh, we get fireworks, dude. Thanks, 1G, man. Thank y'all for the 100 likes, man, in a 40-minute period. It's normally faster than usual, so really appreciate it. Holy crap, man. Just reading. What's up, Kang Logan, dude? Sure thing, Mo, dude. Do range-bound coins really exist? Am I looking for one in storage? No, Gelsh, but yeah, they really exist, of course. Dude, range-bound doesn't have to last long. You just find like an asset that has a clear support, and every time it hits that support, it's bouncing, and then you see a clear resistance above it, and every time you hit it, it sells off, right? That's range-bound. That's all it is, and you can be stuck in it for a week, day, month, years. That's right, Crypto Kiwi, man. Any more tips I'm sure about? What you talking about? You only bet small? What? So easy, Erie. I'm old enough for coffee, Greg. Get right, dude. Thanks, Rob, man, dude. I appreciate it. That's a weird ticker, Jason. Still feel sick, you know. Oh, God. Oh my god, dude. There's like 2 different charts. Good lord, man. That's the right one anyway. Okay. Okay, here's your Nasdaq Composite Index, right? March 2nd. Oh wait, this is not far back. Okay, so this just goes from February 2016 when the new rally began. Okay, just went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the top, and just 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. Clearly fell out of that, right? Fell out. Descending, broadening wedge. Okay. And here we are, exceeding the 200-day moving average for the first time since November 7th, man. And we just hit it and then sold off. So, yeah, man. That's good news, MK, dude. Good news, but it's really a 100% retrace from your high point to low point, right? Your most recent high. But let's look at the all we can. High to low. So you still got a way to go, man. You could run all the way up to 76.86 for that 70% major retrace, right? The high point to the low point. So, but look at this, man. Daily. Like, I know it's not like you're not finding these swing highs and stuff, but this is real, man. This is daily stuff, okay? It's daily divergence. Dude, it's getting weird, man. It's getting real weird. So you should expect some pullback soon, but man, overwhelming bullish market. Whatever, man. Good luck timing it. It's just saying right here, impending price action reversal seems likely. But we've been saying that, man. Just keeps on, low volume, just kind of creeping on up a little bit at a time. Okay. Anyway, so there you go, dude. We've surpassed the golden zone, and we've broken and closed today above the 200 moving average. 200-day moving is big deal. Yep, big deal. So Mike Stevens, dude. What's up, Side Girl? Dude, Restream's so annoying. Just freezes all the time. Holy crap. Dang, dude. A lot of chat. Thanks for the 214 people here. We're just looking at the Nasdaq Composite. Kind of looking at Altcoin now. Alright. Just kidding. I don't know what we're going to look at. We're going to look at something. Whatever I want. Jeez, dude. Here's your Litecoin Bitcoin futures. Yep, linear futures. Look at that, straight shot up, man. Wow. Daily, but looking at it, man, that's a really nice move. If you had any kind of a little channel or anything, you're above it, you probably back tested it as support or something. I don't know. I'm just talking about something like this. Wow, dude. It's pretty crazy, right? All it did was just anchor point 1 and 2 here, top side, and you like broke out, bearishly engulfed, kind of going sideways, right? It looks like some clear price contraction, some sort, but maybe just you do 1 and 2. I don't know, just like it's like some downsloping consolidation, but you're at the top of the consolidation.
The market may be bad, but I slept like a baby last night. I woke up every hour and cried. Ha, 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 Kappa. Doing things, cause we kings, all day every day.
Thanks, Logos Freeman. Are you me? Sounds like the story of my life, right? Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. So, I don't know, man. Daily time scale looks about right. Yeah. It's the only way to kind of include everything in the structure. It's all upsloping, clearly, right? You just been losing your positive momentum. That's okay, man. You're just consolidating. You were overbought. You were at 86 on a daily time scale, and now you're just barely, you're just right below. You're like 68, 69. So I think you're consolidating. Maybe you sell off a little bit more, but man, maybe we could just huge bull flag. That'd be wonderful. Look at the volume involved with the move up too. Jason, dude, very cool on your Litecoin Bitcoin futures. Okay, futures contract, bid mix. There you go, dude. Just looks pretty decent, if you ask me. It's not upsloping. It's not an upsloping flag. You know, oh my god, we break the upside again, then we dumped so hard. It's not looking like that right now, is it? Okay. What's up, Mattia, dude? What's up, Jimmy, dude? I'm a little orphan boy that's taking over Mitch's computer. Yep, I said, dude, that's me, man. Little orphan boy, Ray. Matt, that's unfortunate, dude. Because we are screaming the areas of low risk, high reward. That BNB is so hot right now, King Logan. It sure is, dude. Just trying to read, dude. I'm like so behind. I'm trying to catch up. It's like very tough, but I'm not going to like not read chat. Okay, sorry. Into the beard market, Cybergirl, you like it? Good. Saint Gang Gang, sure, dude. Sure does. That's all that matters. Substance. Style and substance have their own places, right? First impressions, you must have style, right? But when you open your mouth, you better be all substance at that point, right? So they have their places, substance and style. Remember that. It's a bug out to you, Andy? Should be. You need to master Fibonacci first. Don't be, I don't know. I'm not getting a face tattoo. Even if we had 1 trillion likes, okay? Never happening, ever. Thanks, Maha Freedom, for liking the video multiple times. Spiritual audiobooks, interview full. I don't, something against them. I don't watch them. I mean, I've heard of both of them, of course. I just don't, you know. You can't face this beard market any longer. There you go, man. What's up, Hector, dude? Well, Mateo, glad you're back, man. Sorry, dude. So much chat. I can't do this. I can't keep up. What's up, Alonzo, dude? You just shaved your face recently? You feel like a baby? Yeah, me too. It looks rigged by the PPT. Yeah, dude. It certainly has. Certainly has. Just looking at the Nasdaq composite, I'm gonna look at an S-coin now. Thatcher, yeah, man, you got it, dude. Holy crap, dude. Dude, this is so much. Alright, let's just move on. Now we're gonna look at an S-coin, for real. Jeez, dude, what a, oh my god, like, what would you even do here, man? Like, oh my god, it pumped up and dumped again. This is literally why these things have the names they do. This is like, not being mean, it's just, I guess we can just look at it on this chart, whatever. Oh, we ran up, man, and then we dumped, dude. Like, Sorry, dude. To no avail. Zooming out on Zilliqa. Alright, dude. So the only way to really look at this, I think, is there's no formal structure of a pattern, right? On the way down. It's just a big sell-off. You had a big run-up. I think it was some sort of crab. Harmonic. X, A, B, C, D. And then we dumped 382. 618 hit targets. Both of those, if this was the pattern. That's the way it would have gone on a short. And I don't know, just recently there was like a pop to the upside. You probably had an hour or less, and then it dumped again. Okay, but from a high point to low point, I think you probably hit a 38% retrace or close to it between the 236 and 382. Let's just fib it real quick just for fun. Fib fun high. 23% between the 236 and 382. So who even cares, man? Right? Who even cares? Ugh. Okay. That's it, dude. So should expect lower prices, I think, after a move like that and coming back down. I mean, if you do, that's great. I know there's support here, but it's very weak, and I think there's just lower risk areas. Lowest risk being way down here. So it's just an asset. We're looking at it. It's in the dead middle of, it seems to be like a range, like the lowest point, the highest point. So. Vincent, what do you think, man? I'm pretty pedantic and I don't like misspelling words, so, and I don't have a beard anymore. So what do you think? Do you think I really said that the bear market's over? Yeah, Julie wants a coffee table book of all my quotes. Yeah, there you go. Substacking Stoner. Yep, Henry Vera says beard, no beard. Yeah, well, if you wanted me to have a beard, maybe stupid crap shouldn't happen in my life that I don't think I deserved or whatever, or I don't think should have happened, but it did anyway, so deal with it. Thanks, Arthur, dude. You get a face tattoo for 600 million. There you go. Maybe if we did that, dude. Okay. Bukowski tattoo on my butt. All right, man. All right, Julia. Oh my God. I can't, dude. What's up, Pribs, man?
Is that a joint?
Dollar Shave Club Connect. Represent.
Thanks, Greg Morgan, for the 420 contribution. Yep, Dollar Shave Club Connect. Fortunately, I just have a razor or whatever, so I don't have to even worry about it. So. How weird is it when I see myself in the mirror? I feel like very young. Like I'm like, oh my God. Very young. So Crypto Couple. Thanks, Crypto Couple. Thanks, friend. Thank you, Robert, dude. Oh, we did it. We made it, man. All right. Lord. I don't know. It's been probably a decade since we've looked at this. But we'll look at it. And not much has changed, really. I know it's been a while because my trend line, my horizontal lines are white, not magenta. So it seems you're hitting, there's a resistance here that we clearly knew about, that we've still been unable to break, right? Hey, good news is that we're making higher lows though than these lows. That's good. You know, there's a low here that it seems we're holding in some sort of way. All right, so you're just range bound from a low to high. Hey man, this is range bound. Someone's like, Are you serious? Range bound coins exist? It's like, this is one, dude. It's like, clearly you can see it, man. Like all over the place. So look at the wicks, the low liquidity, S coin, pumpy dumpy crap over and over and over again. Like, wow, man. I don't know what to tell you. Dude. Bradley Abelman, was that you, dude? I don't know what just happened, but I got the notification on my phone, but it didn't show up, man. Stream Elements just did not track that, man. I'm sorry, dude, but dude, here, I'll play the Jesus Chimes anyway, man. Dude, thank you so much for the $42 contribution, man. Much friggin' love. Thank you, man. I don't know why. It just randomly does that sometimes, dude. Where it just won't pick up. So very grateful, man. Bradley, dude. The 42. Dang it, man. I just don't know why. It didn't happen, dude. I know that'll piss people off, too. It sucks, dude. Thank you, man. What's up, Brian Griffin? Please say Kappa. Alright, Kappa. What's up, Rhea, dude? Holy crap. So, yeah, dude, the BRD coin. Whatever, right? Okay, let's go to Delta Airlines. I don't think we did much. All we did was just fib, right? Oh yeah. That crazy upsloping little channel structure anyway. I feel like I know there's more stuff down here, but look, man, you have the impulse from the high point to the low point. We're just including everything within it. Okay, so we bounced off that 25% trend line. We ran up. Seems like we're still trying to run. We broke above the 38% retrace, probably headed towards that 50% retrace at 53.30. We'll see if we can get there with the market being so blah, you know. So no real structure unless you want to call it some sort of wedge or I don't know, man. Let's see. Go channel or something.
That face needs some golden mean love. Looking good, Mitch.
Julia, thank you so much for the 1618. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Amazing. So this looks like it might make the most sense. P. Miller Man. All right, you just take in, look, the impulses, and then you clearly see that we ran up, and this is why I like it, right? This is why it works, because look at the heart line respect you're getting, right? You keep hitting that area, and you're soon approaching the 200 moving average on the 4 hour at 52.80. So like you could go all the way down to like $50, bounce off the bottom trend line and run again. Just keep doing that. But look, you're making higher highs than your previous highs, and of course it's not over yet. But look, you got high on price, higher on price. Look at the volume receding on the higher prices, and look at your positive momentum is almost inexistent compared to this impulse, right? To this one. So you are showing some bearish stuff, somewhat, right, on Delta. Okay, it's just two variables here: receding volume, bearish divergence. Looks like it. Okay, so high to low, you're in the golden zone, right? You're within the 382. Go between there you go, 51.39 and 55.21. Okay, that's it. Rally, man, are you kidding me, dude?
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Wind moon.
Wind moon indeed, Bradley, dude. Wind moon indeed. Well, I thought this was the moon, man. I thought the moon was when you find a pattern, you use coinciding variables, and you take an entry, and we talk about the entry to ad nauseum while everyone stops showing up, and then we moon, and then people say wind moon. Thought that was the moon, man. But I don't know, man. I feel like we might have just broken out of a downslipping structure that has been in existence since mid to late November, And now we're out of it, and we're waiting, man. Like, we're swing traders. We use significant time scales, and I'm sorry, that takes like many days to build and form a pattern. We don't have anything. We have like 6 candles after impulses, so like they're just kind of going sideways, not really doing anything. So we don't know. We don't really care either. It's just like we wait now. We wait for the sell-off, the retrace. We haven't even retraced 23% of the way from a low to high. So we don't even know if this is the swing low. This thing can actually keep going if it wanted to. Straight up, dude. We're starting to get out of overbought territory on the 4 hour. So, you know, this thing could be getting ready to go again. Like, not even kidding. Okay. Mile high freedoms coming from the future. He says if you don't buy in 2019, you will cry for the rest of eternity. Mile high freedom, man. Is that true, dude? Is that true, man? I think that's, are you debating everyone? What's up, one-man army, dude? Jake Drago? Growl? Sounds about right. Sounds good, dude. Yeah, it's the future man win moon. For real. Man, those futures look great on Litecoin though, right? That downsloping consolidation after a huge impulse on very high volume. Man, that's good news, man. That's good. Looks very good. I'm gonna look at that other one. I think someone requested someone to replot it because of crap. Okay, BTT to USDT. People are asking. I think Tim asked or something. So he's got that downsloping structure, right? Now you're like, what about all this, man? What can we draw on upsloping? No, because if you had it upsloping, you would have already broken out of it. You'd be outside of it right now, so it's not really helpful to us. So we can clearly see with the consistent lower highs, consecutive lower highs. And now we're making higher at lows, so we've plotted that too to show that we have 2 reaction lows at 2 reaction highs. So it just looks like a lot of price contract. You can even bring this all the way up here if you wanted. I don't know. I mean, a lot of white space there, but yeah, this looks like a huge impulse and tons of price contraction with lower highs but now higher lows. So big move, man. Big move could be coming because of the size of this pattern. It's huge size. But look, you just got bearish convergence, high, a lower high, lower levels positive momentum, lower levels road of strength, right? So just meh, doesn't really help us that much. Okay, that's all I got for BTT to US dollar today. It's just price contraction. That is the name of the game for this asset on chart. I'm about to go to the bathroom, dude. I'm drinking tea and stuff. For every season there is a reason. Prospect, man. Thanks, dude. Appreciate the kind words of encouragement. Alright, man. Were you charting the city of Dallas? Is that a good place to move to, man? I don't even know, man. I don't feel like moving would even do anything. I don't know, man. Cyber, I don't really like change like that. Change like that sucks, dude. Okay. So, when you're contracting on price, it's really tough. Like, it's a neutral pattern, and you have to wait for confirmation on a breakout. Or if enthusiastic and you want to see if a long could work out, always the bottom trend line, right? So entries would be like whatever that is. That's like 8.7% of a cent or something on BTT. Good God, whatever that is. All right, 8% of 1 cent. I think. I'm certain that is 8% of 1 cent. Jeez. Okay. Whatever, man. Oh yeah, it's like, oh, it's 11 my time to make a wish. Okay, made a wish. Holy crap, man. Let's go to Bitcoin. Whatever. Alright, so we got someone with their idea. This is off a little bit, isn't it? Yeah.
Is that a joint?
If that was the moon, the real question is when Pluto.
When Pluto. Well, if we can, really the thing is, I think Pluto would be the major retraces, okay? Let's go to the daily real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Don't know how this is gonna go. See, what? Oh yeah, the hidden fibs crap. That's right, man. All right, so you're just looking, dude. Major high to major low. All right, so what we're talking about is, so I still think it was downsloping and you broke out, man. I think I like it, dude. I like it. I think it's cool, but until we get some more data, I want to see how we respond if it is a breakout, okay? That's all I want to do. Just see how we respond here. I think it was fascinating and it was so well respected. Okay, we're outside, probably, but we're talking about fibs here. Okay, yep, between 382 and 618. If we go to Pluto, I think it's any between 44.22. Hey man, that's your number, 42, right? 44.22 and 52.31, right? That's the major retrace zone from November 7th to December 15th, all right? So if this could ever sustain itself, I mean, the thing is though, you break 4,100, I'm gonna feel a lot better about Bitcoin. 4,100 has to be broken and we have to stay above 4,100 because that is a previous swing high, okay? And the only way you start trending to the upside is when you start breaking old highs, old, clear, discernible swing highs. Daily time scale, you can clearly tell this is a swing high, this is a swing high, these are all swing highs here. So you need to break all these, and the overhead resistance is at that 382. So like, look, that's where X of the cipher is, right? Right there. Once you break that though, if you ever could break that, you can have a very, very nice run all the way up to 5,000. Okay, 49, 45, whatever. Because there's no more resistance if you can break that. But that's a lot of adversity right there. Okay, breaking each one of these swing highs, each one being its own overhead resistance. But if you can do that, man, now we're talking. Okay, but 44.30 or 44.22 is moon, I think. It's an area of mooning, okay? Plutoing, and then after that, 618 could be the Andromeda Galaxy or something like that. And then 48.26, 50% retrace could be some other thing between our solar system or our galaxy and another galaxy or something. You get it, all right? Thanks again, Bradley, able to for the 42s. That's 342s, man. Seriously, very grateful for you, man. All right, and just needs everything. Dude, I can't. My restream just keeps. Holy crap! Lay with 8 different womans, and you'll be a changed man. I'd preferably just like not have to go through all the work and just like, you know. Whatever, find the right one immediately. So I don't have to deal with all the other crap. That would be nice. What's up, Elko Alex, dude? Thanks for making it. Saying Gang's just saying when Pluto's 2020. Sure, Alonzo did. Would I re-enter a long of what? I have a long. I'm in a long still. Still like the remnants of my trade from 33.43. So could reap the benefits either way. But if we start flagging or something again, and if look the daily, man, we're right at like overbought territory. If we can flag, if I get like another week of down slipping consolidation, and we maybe retrace 50% of the way on this flag, and we keep bouncing off the bottom trend line that was once resistance, we use it as support. Yeah, dude, I'll probably take. There's probably going to be a low risk, high reward opportunity involved there, but I mean that could take us a week, man. So you're gonna have to like, if you like swing trading, you might have to deal with that. But so far from a high to low, we've only hit the 23% retrace. We've only retraced from that major disgusting sell-off 23% of the way. All right, so that's shallow. That's a very, very shallow retrace. Okay, man. Boy. ABDUP, did you just end up on Alex Cobb's stream? Yeah, man. Hi, I'm Alex Cobb. Welcome. Welcome. When I visit you in Prebz, my words will disappear like whisper underwear. Hopefully that's because I'm meeting, no, I'm not going to say it, man. I'm not going to say it, man. It's funny, there was like, no, I can't even talk. I'm not talking. I'm not saying anything. They're just so bad to say anything. All right. What's up, Pavanaya? He says he didn't know Ray had a son. Nice one, dude. That's weird. A weird pair. Didn't even know that existed. Let's look at it. This other one that was requested next. XRP to BTC. I don't know, man. That's hilarious, dude. That is freaking hilarious, dude. Oh my god. Just like XRP did too. So in the short term, we just said we broke it down, slipping resistance. We were going sideways, and we said the golden zone. The golden zone for a nice retrace would be between the 382 and the 618, 8783, and 9106. Well, where the heck did we go, man? We ran up. We hit the 382, wicked off of it, and sold off, man. And here we are at this critical support that if you break it, man, not going to be a good time. Going to keep on selling off, and it would make a lot of sense if we sold off. Why? Because we went from September to January in a nice uptrend. Good God, man. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Every time. But then you broke it, and now you're not making higher highs anymore. You're making lower highs, consecutive lower highs in your previous highs. And a huge rising wedge pattern, a measured move, would yield you down to 62.24. All right, so we're just, this takes time, man. It takes time to correct. What's up, Peter G, dude? Dude, oh my god, restream, like, there must have been an update or something, but it is so bad now. This was definitely not Gillette. Oh, that's AP, DUP, like, talking crap about Gillette, it seems, right? Of course, Mr. Cantoma. Who doesn't, man? Who doesn't? I'm sure people don't, but I get you, dude. As you're saying. What's up, TR Fun Guy, man? He says, wise men always thinketh before he speaketh. Yeah, dude. Certainly. Didn't want to get myself in trouble. I think Probes knows what I was going to say, and I didn't have to say it. But I think he's like the only one that knows, like, anywhere. Like, no one else knows but Jeff. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go to the bathroom. Like, this just, Too much coffee tonight. I'll be right back.
Extremely overbought levels again, preferably as. By the way, why don't you grab a boost if you quit drinking?
Dude, Bradley, man, are you kidding me, dude? Thanks so much for the 42 again, man. The XRP in the jar. He wants the jar full. He's doing his part, right? He wants the Viking hat, that Moonboy hat, or the Wizard hat. Thanks, Bradley, man. Much love, dude. You know, you could tip like $4.20 a bunch of times, and then like you could fill the jar up, and then it's like, boom, I have to put on one of the hats. Right? That's how it works now. The new thing is like we can't do milestones anymore because they just don't work, right? It's either like the sub count like takes too long, or like we just get, you know, you finally get to a milestone and then like you lose 100 subs in a day, like because like someone bought subs or something. So we're just doing, if the tip jar fills up, then I have to wear one of the hats, and then the audience, the chat gets to vote on which one I would be wearing. So that's it. So thanks again, Bradley, dude. Much love. Just trying to... Jeez, man. It's just such a... I don't even know why it lags like that, because it's such a light little application. Oh, everyone's talking about the KGB still. Did ICX get analyzed? No, it wasn't ICX. It was IXIC, which is the Nasdaq Composite. Zachary, man. Remember, that was the whole thing we looked at before the quote, right? Okay, hold on a sec.
Is that a joint?
It's been a while since you wore the Viking hat. Let's do it.
I think the last time I rocked that hat was like my anniversary, right? It was like my 1-year content creation anniversary. I think today, hey Julia, what was the day, my first live stream day? Let me know, because it could be today or yesterday or in a couple days. Julia, find that number out and spam it in chat. Thanks. Dude, seriously, Bradley, man, thanks for the 420 marijuana in the jar, dude. Much love.
Is that a joint?
See, there are ways to exploit it. Thanks, dude. And you get to hear Elon ask about the joints multiple times. That's why this thing's off. Okay. We're good right there. All right, man. So probably should expect lower prices on XRP to BTC, man. All right. I don't think it responds very well to Bitcoin, to the US dollar going up, right? That's what the XRP US dollar is for. I don't. This is different. This is much different. Okay. This thing's like been moving up when Bitcoin's been doing terrible, right? Terrible. So kind of inverse correlated, a little bit. So there you go. So what's this other one? I knew it wasn't anything. BNB to Litecoin. Give me a break, dude. Someone asked about that. Can you do BNB to Litecoin?
Is that a joint?
Bradley, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. Dude, it's going to be a lot of marijuanas in the jar, dude. It seems if that happens. All right. If it fills. What's up, Ken? Debris? No, I shaved literally like a few hours ago. A few hours ago, dude. 51 more likes to a tattoo, Julia. Yeah. Y'all just permanent. I'll just tattoo a beard on my face at 300 likes. Kappa.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Bradley, man, thanks for the 420, dude. Heck yeah, man. Carrying it down. Or taking it down. Or holding it down. You want some Litecoin to the US dollar. Tether. Okay. Give me a sec. I don't know, man. Just gonna have to look at it.
Is that a joint?
Dead brother, man. The boy doing kind of crazy, man. Thanks. Alright, well. Yeah, sure. I think we could probably plot something. I think it'd probably be best, though, to not worry about this stuff out here and worry about what's going on here. You're clearly uptrending right now, upsloping. Higher lows, higher highs. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
I need to put this on this, but I can't because I want to. Maybe we should have it right here. Yeah, hold on. That's my stream deck real quick. This will be convenient. Because, yeah, hold on. Let's see. Audio source. Play audio.
Let's fill this
Is that a
slot.
joint?
Thanks, Zatchery, man. Much love, dude. Copy. There we go. That's easy. That's easier. It makes life easier. Let's go to scenes and put it right. Cha. Perfect. Now I can do it easy, conveniently. That's awesome. All right. Okay, so just that up sloping, right? Oops.
Is that a joint?
Looking handsome, man. Loving the smooth face. Would love it more with a matching wizard hat.
Well, we'll be able to vote on it.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Crypto Couple. Y'all are amazing. Thanks, Bradley, man. For the 420s. Good luck beating Bradley. Dude, he's at 197.40 right now.
Is that a joint?
No, he's at more than that. He had 42 more because it like bugged out. That first tip he contributed.
Is that a joint?
I can't believe it. Thanks, Bradley, man, for the 420. Can't believe it. Like, what the heck? This. Alright, so do we want to start here, man? Should we start here? Because it seems like it makes the most sense right there, right? You're just going from the bottom.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Bradley, man. You're going from the bottom, I'm trying to be pinpoint accurate here, to the top. You're outside. Now you could maybe try to use that as an anchor point. But I don't know, man. It doesn't zoom out a little bit. Alright, that makes sense. Respect here, yeah, that's probably
Is that a joint?
Thanks, brother, man. Yeah, those marijuanas. I guess there is like, yeah. It's a lot of marijuana. It's like Montana, when Montana did it, remember? No, it was like, Allie.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Zachary, man, for the 420. Appreciate it. Holy crap, y'all. What are we gonna be, man, if it happens? J2, what's up, man? That's for you, dude. I'm not done yet, but you can see what's happening.
Is that a joint?
Gunning for Vet Moonboy Wizard Viking Knight. Exactly, one of them. And chat's it's gonna be like, if you, I mean, I'll do the vote when the time comes, right? Wouldn't make sense to do the vote right now because more chat's gonna pull up. We'll be able to count them all.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Bradley, man, for the 420. The reigning 420s, dude. See how much more fun it is? Spreading it out just a little bit. I don't know, man. It's like...
Is that a joint?
Is that a joint?
Yes,
I just
it is.
had to ask. Gangs.
Gangs. It had to be a joint. James Skinner, man. Thanks, dude. Hey,
Is that a joint?
you know, Elon Musk today had, I guess, a shareholder meeting or something, and
Is that a joint?
Let's do this.
thanks, Zachary, dude. Really, you know, are unreal. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what it was.
Is that a joint?
Stringing, baby, stringing. Well, see, at this point now, it might be advantageous, Bradley, to get the bigger emoji balls, right?
Is that a joint?
Because they're so close. We're like 78.6%
This is bear
retrace.
country, but I'll allow the Viking horns. Bear, down arrow.
Bear country, but you allow Viking horns. Oh, because they go up, right? They're down sloping
Is that a joint?
joints. Thanks, Bradley, and thanks, Fred EB, man. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Is that a joint?
It's happening. Ron Paul meme.
Oh my god, it's happening, the crypto couple. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crap.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Bradley, man. Much love. Jeez, dude. You can't catch me, Julia. Thanks for the pie. Thanks for the pie. No joints there, right? Just pie. Much love.
Is that a joint?
Kangs, baby, Kangs. Much love. Holy crap.
Is that a joint?
Alexa, play Andy Up.
Handy Up, exclusive by MOP on Amazon Music.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Oh, it feels so good! Holy crap. Copyright. 15-second rule. I think that's it. Alexa, stop. We had to, because of copyright. Now, copyright's fine, but certain copyright can be devastating. You just get the stream taken down, which would suck, because this is pretty... I mean, dude, this is the first bearded stream I've ever had in my entire life, okay? The last time I actually was on camera without a beard was when I did a... oh my god, dude, let's look at it, dude. Let's look at it together. Let me find it, okay? I gotta find it.
Is that a joint?
Keep them coming.
Is that a joint?
Oh me so horny, me so horny, oh me so horny, me so horny, so horny.
Cornea Muskman. Thanks so much, dude.
Is that a joint?
One more little gap. I'm looking for this, dude. Let me see what I did in college, man. It's hilarious. Oh, fell out. Oh my god, I found it, dude. Y'all are gonna laugh so hard, dude. This is me from college, okay? Let's see, I don't think it's gonna... I think the notifications will still pop up. Maybe I'm trusting. Dang it, dude. Hold on. I need a full screen media mode. It's okay though. Look at this. This was me back in 2012, okay, man? This is the last time I didn't have facial hair in a stream, okay? This is a Bose project. I had to do it for class. Let me pause the music real quick, okay? Okay, y'all. This is ridiculous. All right. Turning the volume up, muting my mic real quick.
Are you tired of the so-called space conservers known as earbuds? Those things never stay in your ears. There's no noise-canceling technology, and they constantly get tangled to no avail. But now, you no longer have to worry. The Bose headset gives you all you need. This beautifully designed innovation is a manifestation of auditory brilliance. No longer will you be constrained to the outside noises of your leisure. With the new Bose headset, we have instilled our noise-canceling technology to tandem with maximum comfortability. Worried about the tangled cords? Just unstrap it. Yeah, grab Risky Man.
Grab a brewski feels good, man.
Indeed it does. And we're going to do the vote right after this to see which hat I wear. Which magic hat I wear. Thanks, dude.
Detachable input from the headphones themselves. So what's the point of expending an uncomfortable, tenuous earbuds? There isn't one. The Bose headset will take your ears to places they have never been. Call now.
That was it, dude. That was like when it was for one of my broadcasting classes, like production and stuff. Okay, whatever. Can't remember which one it was. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to get a brewski or something. All right, so we're gonna do a vote right now. Okay, if you want the Viking hat, 1. If you want that Moonboy hat, 2. If you want the Wizard hat, 3. Chat, go.
1 for Wizard hat. 2 for disruption of stream.
Oh my god.
3 for 8. Hey Alexa, ESA 888,888 periodic.
Okay, there it is officially typed, but I'm sure people are already voting. Holy crap. Sylvain, there was Sana, dude. Hey, Landcap, hold on. I gotta scroll, I gotta miss some chat, okay. Oh, dude, it's like way behind. I look like a serial killer. Oh, and that one. Yeah, like, cause it was paused at the beginning. I don't have a all-in Bose coin. Guys, these shilling headsets, man. Gosh, man. I understand words. Some words, dude. Julia Kuski.
1 chug vote for Vikong hat.
Oh my god, man. Hold on. Here we go. We're getting through it, man. We're getting through it. Okay. So 1, 2. Can somebody add this up? Somebody make sure that it's not blasphemy. Can't get double votes and stuff. I'm seeing so many numbers, dude. It's almost like the Matrix, but with 3s and 2s. And no zeros. You get it. There's some 1s. It actually doesn't look like the Matrix at all. I don't even know what I was talking about. I'm sorry. Holy crap. Verisatium? Yeah. Verisatium? Something like that. See, we got... dude, I don't know how to add this up. Marberbot says he wants the wizard hat. Brown was the wizard hat. We have... It looks like the wizard hat's winning. Thanks, Edzers, man. 1 + 3 = 2. Alright. Sounds about right. All right, so it looks like the wizard has it. Okay. The wizard has it, I think. Bradley, man, I'm about to get the brewski too. I might have to run upstairs real quick, but... Yeah, dude. Bradley is being a king, dude. 365 plus 42, man. Fantastic. I'm so grateful, man. Can't even. Handsy, who's the kid? I am Mitch's son, and I have killed Mitch. Okay. Holy crap. Yeah, it looks like the wizard hat, man. In case of doubt, put on wizard hat when you project, man. Thanks, dude. Okay. Give me a sec. Thank you so much, man. Love you, dude. I can't believe this, dude. Thank you, man. Friggin', I have no words. Let me get this brew, man. I think I owe a couple sips, right? 2 seconds. Hold on. I'll be right back. Such a baby face, man. Oh my god, dude. It's so bad. All right. Dang, dude. It's so funny, man. Since all the Jesus chimes were coming in, lost like 3 subs. So whatever, man. People are like, I'm just so tired of this, man. I can't watch the day stream or any other stream for the most part. I'm just annoyed this time. Okay. So yeah, dude, no beer, and all I had was whiskey, and I don't even have an ice maker, and I got so lucky. I don't know how old this ice is, but it was a football mold. So I have a little miniature football in my jar, dude. Okay. That's my ice. So it's whiskey and water. Cheers, Bradley and others that help get us over the goal line to get that top of the jar. Julia, everyone. Y'all are freaking amazing. Billy, man, everyone. So this one's for all y'all. And of course, I have to chug if, you know, the variation hits, like Julia tried, right? Oh, man. Sorry about the, dude, I was like scrambling downstairs, like, I had to. Okay. So Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin. Golden zone of retrace is down between 35.88 and 37.34. That's it, dude. Bose headphones, Kappa. Not really. Hey, this isn't crazy? Those headphones from 2012, right? They're still here. I still use them all the freaking time. Same ones, dude. Okay. Dude, like this, like the stuff is so scuffed now. Crazy though, man. Very long-lasting product, man. It really is. I'm behind Bose, dude. They're expensive, but for good reason. High quality. How's it, man? All right, so we don't even know, though. We haven't even retraced 23% of the way, which is 38.25. And that means that... That definitely means that there is a chance, a very small chance, probably, but we could not be done. Seriously, because we're now get to a point where we're getting out of overbought territory. So we might get out of overbought territory just to become overbought once again. But, you know, probably a higher chance of selling off and going to that golden zone between 35.88 and 37.34. All right. Fib the jar. We're maybe at the 1272, Julia, right? I don't know. I'm gonna catch up on some chat. Thank y'all again. You vote for the Bama helmet, Jeff, dude? Yeah. Yeah, dude. Sorry, dude. I'm trying to catch the spot. Will BNB stop pumping? Ankhed, man? No, breakaway. It's doing a breakaway, dude. So, maybe after 30,000 it'll stop, right? Bradley is a Kang. Bradley Abel. Love you, man. I need a new wizard beard. Yeah, I need to get one. Bulls have held up pretty well. You can only imagine how this will go when we're above 6,000. Hainsey, if we get there, dude, that's such a reach, dude. 6,000, that might be a... That's probably not happening. Even if we have clearly broken out and we make major retraces, we're probably still not going to 6, dude. I think the highest we're probably going is 5,200. And if, like, we're extremely lucky and grateful, you know, we should be... If we're lucky, we're going to be grateful. But 5,800, that's a big reach. That's a super deep retrace. So... Just looking, 44.22 would make me happy. I'm sure it'd make Bradley happy too because of 42. But 4,200 itself is its own resistance. It's that December 24th, Christmas Eve high we had, right? Definitely going to be playing its role as resistance. You got 3 areas of adversity, and all you've done is make a lower high. You have not made even a double top or a higher high at 4,100. So you still aren't out of the woods at all. This could be a false breakout and you can scrub out, right? Good God. What's up, Alexander? He says magic potion. Yeah, dude, this is my magic potion, man. This is what John Lara was always like. Drink from the crystal, man. This is the crystal, dude. This is my mana potion, dude. I dyed it a different color. It's not blue. You get it there, right? So, Slobby Toppy, is this where the cool kids hang out? Yeah, it really is, man. It is. Zasher, we did it, man. We certainly did. Thank y'all. When Lambo fills in, remember, if you're gonna ask about Win Lambo, you have to ask Win Cardboard Box too. Okay, you can't just ask Win Lambo. Okay. The foosball ice cubes are the devil. King Logan, that's right, dude. Did they ever catch that baboon that punched you in the face that escaped from the zoo? King Logan, Bobby. Wait, not Bobby. It'd be Boucher. Do I teach all my TA just on this YouTube channel? For the most part, yeah. I mean, we take clips of the education I do on stream. I know when it's going to be, like, I'll be preemptively understanding that we're going to clip or edit this, so I try to make it way more formal, like but I'm ad-libbing or kind of like doing education live, and it gets clipped, and then we put it on the Patreon feed.
See if this one works.
Vich ain't doing things.
Julie Guskuski. Unfortunately, no. It was close though. Dude, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know why it's such a scrubby percentage chance. It's a 10% chance on $25, and then $33.33 is a 15% chance. That's it. And you know, I've seen it, or I've shown you, you've seen it multiple times now, that the variations are real, and that's it. But I'll sip to that. Big gulp to that, right? Christian has a high mana. Seems like a Win Cardboard Lambo. Dude, there's pictures of that, right? Saw some guy in Asia with that, or South America. Hold on. That's not the one I'm looking at or looking for. There's one of the guys like this natural environment. Too many professional. There it is. Here it is. Here he is, man. Your cardboard Lambo, dude. You weren't kidding. There it is, dude. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Images made subject to copyright. Oh my god, man. We're so screwed. We're gonna get copyright striked by showing a cardboard Lambo. How insane would that be? A crypto channel gets shut down because it showed a picture of a cardboard Lambo. Wow. We'd probably be the first people in the history of the world for that to happen, right? Does it look like I have suspenders on? I don't think so, man. I just don't think so. Thanks again, Julia, for that 25. And dude, Bradley, I don't even know if you're still here, man, but thank you, man. Like, it's just... Dude. It's like 450, man. Unbelievable. Is 29 cents on ZRX possible? Bitcoin continues from this minor consolidation, continues going up. Absolutely. But if you're talking about the BTC pair, or you're talking about the US dollar pair, I don't even know if I've ever even looked at ZRX, the US dollar. No one ever requested it. Usually, when we look at the Bitcoin pair, right? Jeez. Super scrubbing. God. Our refresh rate's all screwed up, I think, again. It's okay on my main monitor. It's just terrible on this one tonight. I don't know why. This is a zoom down view, man. Zoom down view. Here we go, dude. we go. I mean, that seems about perfect, doesn't it? Low, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, 1 on the top, heart line, 25 resistance, 25 support. It doesn't really help us in the short term, so we could like probably leave this to the daily if we were to look at and zoom out on the daily, right? That's great, whatever, but zoomed in. It does look to me like you're doing exactly the other ones are. The ones that have broken out, okay? You had an impulse down, a huge move down, you had a downside channel, you broke it but did nothing but go down, you know, sell off more. That's okay. So look, man, just like VeChain doing things. Look at this, man. We've like broken it. Technically like broken it. Oh man, that's like perfect, is it not? Dude, alright, so you're out. You made a double bottom, higher low, whatever. Fibbing from the discernible swing high. I mean, really from the height of the pattern, this is, dude, you're at the 200 moving average. You can't break the 200 moving average, but you've broken 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. All right. I don't know what to tell you about the wick, man. That wick, crazy, dude. Okay, but again, another touch point, and you broke it finally. So, looks like you're struggling to break above 26.9 cents, but yeah, dude, if Bitcoin pumps the upside, you can bet your butt ZRX is going to do the same, right? Of course, you're going to get a 29, but I don't know. Discernible swing high on the daily. Dude, really? None of that, man. None of that. Discernible swing high. Holy crap, man. That's like up here. Candle close to candle close. I mean, there's just, we haven't retraced, man. We haven't retraced at all. Good God, man. Daily time scale almost looks like, I mean, you can't even, let me just go by the 4 hour. This is stupid, man. Like, you have to like manually change it every time. Usual on the daily.
Forgive the momentary lapse in judgment on the beard. Looking good, dude.
It's okay, man. It's okay. No one likes change really that much, right? So when big change happens after over 600 live streams, people are going to be shocked. People are going to be like, we identified you with your beard. Why would you do that, man? So, it's okay, man. This is me without my beard. Now you know. You've gotten to know me more. Look, it's just something happened in my life that I didn't want to happen, and it affected me negatively. It did affect me in a bad way, but a very, very profound way. And no more beard. No more beard for now. Okay? Until things change to where I feel like I've realigned my center, or realigned my chi, or whatever you want to call it. No more beard. Okay. End of the beard market. Is the bear market ended, Kenny? No, man. No one ever said anything about the bear market, dude. J2, can I show a golden cross, please? Of course, dude. Let's look at a real world example. One right freaking now on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, dude. 4-hour Valentine's Day. Will you be my Valentine, Bitcoin? Yes, baby. I will be your Valentine on February 14th, where your 200, or excuse me, where your 50 moving average, simple moving average, bullishly crosses over your 200 moving average. On that day, we discussed it, not just on Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't think XRP, though. I don't think it had the Valentine's Day golden cross. You gotta love it, though. You gotta freaking love it. Because, let's look at, try to see something. Let me show you something real quick, man. Going way back, tripping through time. Looky here. Look back here, dude. I remember this so vividly. Okay. February 14th. Bitcoin or Litecoin, will you be my Valentine? Sure, baby. Dumped. Double bottom. Lower high. It's over, dude. It's over. Alright. Never saw those prices again. There you go. But hey, things turning around a little bit. Look, man, it's the same thing as the RX, the US dollar we were looking at, right? You had downside resistance, you broke it, and look what happened when we, oh my God, are you kidding me? Holy crap, dude. Sorry, I still had the stupid cardboard Lambo up. I don't even know how to do this, man. Wizard hat stuff. Yeah, February 14th, 2018. The 15th, see ya. You were the Valentine for a day, sweetheart deal. Whatever, man. You know what I'm happy about? I'm just glad I didn't take anyone out to an expensive dinner on Valentine's Day. I'm glad I did not do that. That would have been a huge freaking waste of money. That would have been a huge freaking waste of your money. But whatever. Holy crap. Andy, man, Dragon Chain coin is not on TradingView, so no, I cannot analyze it for you, man. Sorry, dude. I apologize. J2, did that help, man? Beard market ended. Caps, yes. No kappa. Many also undervalued. Are you sure, man? Because we don't really have any metric of valuing them at all. Not even close, dude. There's no underlying fundamental way we have to value them as assets. They're just projects, white papers that most don't even make money. Hey, Binance makes money. Look at it, right? You get a haircut and shave for special events too, man. Mitch is side girl. Thanks for the $1.69. Jeez. Wow. Thanks, GU, man. I know you. My side girl. Thanks. Cabba. Not Cabba, though. I get you. Did you leave a message, though? I want to have your baby Mitch destroy my... Okay. I'll just, I won't say it out loud, but I'll post what he said at the end. I'll let y'all know. There you go. Greg Morgan, good and terrible. Hey, Zachary, that's it, dude. We need to do that sound clip. That'd be perfect for the soundboard. Good and terrible. That boy good. Maybe I think we need to have that boy good and another clip where I do the good and terrible, so I can do either one, right? So if big one's doing well, I can say that boy good or something, right? And then we also need to have one where it says "Say your chocolate," where he like screams it. Cardboard Lambo is the name of your new punk band. Excellent, dude. I thought it was Ascending Broadening Wedge, dude. Oh yeah, Dragon Chain's on it now? Really? Hold on. What? When did this happen? Not obviously it hadn't been too long. It's on Bittrex, not Binance. Well, man, we're all in, dude. All in. Just trying to make sense of this insanity. There you go, dude. That's all I can do for you. That's all I have. We are approaching a Momo shift. Okay, but lower highs than your previous highs, but higher lows. So kind of looks like I might be ready to get wrecked, dude. Look, we ran up and tested that 4-hour 200 MA that just got established and rejected it, okay? So I don't know, man. It's clearly a downtrend. Set up an alert on Dragon Chain, man. Do it, man. Set up an alert, dude. If this alert hits, man, we're going all in. All in on the Dragon Chain. So what's Dragon Chain do, y'all? It's a Warcraft blockchain, dude. I don't know. I'm still streaming? Yeah, dude, still streaming. 2 hours. Hey, just 2. Wow. Okay, let's do it real quick. Y'all, thanks so much for like making me not think about really crappy stuff that I don't want to think about like at all. And jeez, man, I hate it, man. It's almost like I just want to like not even date. Jaguar, exactly, man. More from the. I need more mana. I'm out of mana, man. Alright, Let me just get some water from the sink real quick. Does anyone have any Pellegrino? Sorry, man, we're not in California. Hold on. Be right back. 2 seconds. Hey, what's up? What's the haps, dude? Dude, what is that, man? It's like my hat isn't tucked in. I'm like a scuffed Gandalf, man. Okay. Anyway, Dragon Chain. Oh my god. Dragon Chain Connect. Dragon Chain Connect. Apollo Connect. Star Wars Worlds. Anyway. Can't believe it, dude. We've actually analyzed Dragon Chain for the first time in our lives. Just like, I guess, man. It's great, man. First time for a lot of things. Sweet, man. Thank y'all for being here. I know there's only like 10 people left, but thank y'all. Y'all been really, really helping get my mind off crap. And it's been nice. Extremely nice. Here you go, man. Here's the football. You can't even see the football, man. But it's in there, dude. And I have another one, too. Hurry up and melt more so it's colder. You know, when something's hotter or colder, it's like you don't taste it as well because the molecules are like moving like really high speeds or really slow speeds. It's cool, dude. Something that's room temperature, oh yeah, you're gonna taste and smell all that. Yeah. Doesn't taste good. Okay. Been rough for PBT. Plunge protection team or PowerPoint coin? Jeff, man, you could be confusing a lot of people, including me. I don't know which one you're talking about. And fake tips, King Logan. Yeah, dude. Ken Debris says, dude, it's high as F. Yeah, man, I'm so high right now, dude. Oh my god. JS. Talking about Johnny Sack from Sopranos. JS. Thought he died, man. Bitcoin going back down, Dominique? Yeah, probably. I think we had a higher percentage chance of going to the downside than the upside, clearly based on the price action we've been seeing the past few days and then beyond. So yeah, down to retrace, but we always said that just because it's kind of moving down a little bit, all it's doing is resetting its oscillator, possibly potentially setting up to get overbought again to go to higher prices like 4,000, 4,100 to test those areas. Yeah, always possibility, man. We're just not selling right now. We don't have any kind of pattern development. We're not consolidating really. We're just kind of going sideways after an impulse. What's happening, Jonathan? What's happening, man? Well, I am Mitch Ray's son, and I'm here to do the TA, man. Okay, I can do it just as well as Mitch. Ken says, like, when it's hot. Yeah, it's been pretty hot, man. It all started with that inverse head and shoulders, no kappa at all. Anyone remember that? Anyone? How legendary that was? Dude, I'm so behind on chat. Why is it doing this, man? Restream just is losing it, man. Losing its mind. Jay West says, Mitch been there, bro. It sucks big time. It gets better. Yeah, dude. I mean, I've been there too. That's the thing. I've been there way worse than this one. And I guess I'm just happy that it just didn't work out, you know, sooner rather than later, right? Because, you know, the longer you're in something, you know, the longer you get to affect somebody. Gartley!
Is that a joint?
Dang it, dude, didn't do Gartley. Blank, what's up? How you doing? 420 contribution. Thank you so much, dude. Freaking love you, Blank. Okay, you know, if you don't know Blank, Blank is freaking awesome. Okay, Blank was one of the only people, like legit. He was like the only person who was in Cali to come hang out with us. And now the group was there, but the group we had already planned. It was like Kang Logan and Jeff and Seth and, you know, someone else, and Bradford and Bradford's girl, but they weren't there for that day when we did the IRL stream. But Blank showed up and got to hang out with us. And Blank, I'm coming back, man. I'm coming back in March. So hopefully you'll be ready to hang out again, dude. All right. Don't just date one at a time. Get good at multiple girlfriends for real. Yeah, dude. I need to do that, man. Just takes a lot of time, dude. I'm very devoted to this, what I'm doing. Like, literally, you see me right here? This takes a lot of time up, dude. So, and most of the time, ladies like dating, and they like dating at like 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, and going out and doing things when I'm streaming. And I'm streaming like multiple times a day. So it's difficult to do that because I'm streaming when people are like off work or getting off work, right? Because that's like good. That's like convenient for the person viewing, right? So I'm working when people are off work or getting off work. So, dude, holy crap, we made back those 3 subs that were pissed off about all the Jesus chimes for the jar. We got a couple more back. All right, thank y'all for the subs, whoever it was. It's not showing up. Well, there you go. What's up, Mudkip? Shingle Decker. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Kangs, baby, Kangs. Cone base. Cone. Back to Bitcoin, right? Bradley says, LOL dragons and wizards. Holy crap, Bradley! I didn't even think about it, dude. Did anyone else think about that? Wizards and dragons? Hold on a sec. Dude, I got this, man. What? You just gotta be patient with me for a second, but I'm gonna make it fun. We're gonna go back to Dragon Chain real quick, Bradley. Okay, to watch this, man. Hold on. But the thing is, it's like, it's tough because I can't defeat a dragon with fire. So I can't use fire skills as a wizard, right? I have to use other skills, right? So I have to be like the Night King, don't I? I'm looking, dude. I'm looking what to do. I don't really know what kind of spell to use, dude. I'm looking through my my wizard book, man. Okay, it's virtual though. It's not. I have a virtual wizard book. All my TA books are physical, right? So, dang, dude, I don't have a very good arsenal of weapons. Let's see. Yo, what can I do? I mean, I'm trying to look for ice, but I don't have any good ice spells. I'm not an ice wizard. Dude, let's see, let's try this out, man. No, that's not working either, dude. Come on. Oh, I know, maybe water? Maybe I could just use the power of water to destroy my foes, man. That's what it's looking like, dude. It's looking like it's gonna turn out that way. Alright. That's it, dude. There's my spell, dude. Dude, what? Okay. I got this, y'all. Hold on. Dude, it takes time for a wizard to develop his skills, man, okay? It's not gonna happen over seconds, okay? It's gonna happen over minutes, right? put this on real quick. Yo, just give me like 2 seconds. Hold on. Dude, what? Oh, okay, I got it. Crap, not showing up, man. You know what? This sucks, man, because I can't do it not live, and now it's gonna not look good. Okay, hold on. my new spell, dude. Okay. Let's see how I can do this. Edit the transform. We're gonna like make it flip. Ooh. But I got this, dude. How am I gonna do this? No, I need to flip it the other way, right? No. I don't want it like that. Because now I'm getting attacked. Okay, so now I need to rotate it, I guess, right? I need to change the rotation, make it like 1,000. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. I can't do it, dude. I don't know. I guess that's it, man. I guess this is it, dude. Can I go like 10? Dude, 100 doesn't do it, man. Maybe I'll do it like 100, and then I'll mess with it and transform it. I can't, dude. I can't. This is it, dude. This is the best I can do. All right, let's go back to Dragon Chain real quick. Okay, man. Here's your dragon. You shall not pass. Oh my god. That's it, dude. That's what I was going for. It'd have been much better if, and it's just constant power coming out of my wizard, top of my wizard hat, man. All right. Something stupid like that. You'll get it. You'll get it. I tried. I am but just an amateur. Bradley, did that help, man? Was that good to destroy the dragon? The dragon of our time. Holy crap, dude. Whew. Save it, Juliet? What? Oh, never mind. So, but Nick Hilton, are we going down or resting before 4,000? Hard to say, man. Hard to say. We swing trading here. So what we're doing right now is we're not really going anywhere, and we're resetting our oscillator. We're already back out of over. We're right back down to like going between overbought and not overbought, right? We're right at like 70 on the RSI. So if we go sideways a little bit longer, we're going to be completely out of overbought territory. And maybe what could happen is we could continue on with this move to the upside, this impulse up that is not ended yet. All right, so we don't have a swing low yet. We already tried to fib it. Fibbing, we have not hit a 23% retrace yet, so we don't really know if if we've actually made a new swing high at that 786 retrace. So we don't know, man. All right, swing trading is all about weighting, a lot of weight, 90% weighting, 10% other things like buy orders, stops, limits, right? Pattern recognition, all that stuff, right? So, hey, man, but you could have been here. You could have been here. What was the date? I don't know, anywhere like in mid to late January. We were told you about the bullish Garley pattern. We had the entry. We literally hit our entry by $5 to $8. It hit our entry, and we actually never saw this price again. Even on the double bottom, we never hit our entry again. Funny enough. So you had your small window. Then there was areas where you could like get back in, and then you'd have been good. But destroy Dragon Chain. Kill smog. All right. Anyway, I'll turn off my my water power. Okay, man. It's off, dude. Okay. Let's go back to Bitcoin though, because no one cares about Dragon Chain. Only for the memes, dude. That's why we care about it, for the memes. Hey, look, dude. If you were to make a major retrace, 35.88 to 37.34. That's the retrace you're looking for, from a low point to high point. Okay, that's it. That's it, dude. So I'm gonna make the argument on 4 hour from a low point to high point here, a minor swing low to high. we've hit a 23% retrace. We hit a shallow retrace right there, right? It's true, man. Impulse up, you create an anchor point, 1 and 2. There it is, shallow retrace. So you're hitting a shallow retrace, and you are now officially out of overbought territory. Officially out. So if you go sideways a little bit longer, or just sell up a little bit more, just sit and stay above 38.50, 38.60, dude, this thing might not be done. Like, it's so crazy, man. Like, you just got to know it's crazy, man. It can be irrational longer than you can stay solvent. What to say about Dragon? Hopefully, Jeb. Now you know. Now you know, dude. That's right, Jack Black. No way I'm getting attacked. Exactly. What's that awesome whiskey bottle? Alex, man, people are probably going to hate me for it, but it's Jim Beam Black. That's what it is, dude. Don't blame me. Blame my father. All right. Just because he loves Jim Beam. And I like it more than Jack Daniels. So it's like, okay, man. Whatever. So for some reason, Jim Beam just reminds me of football season. That smell. There's something about it. I like it. Mike Lamb, Bitcoin going up more. Hopefully, you just heard everything I just said, right? Mudkip says, hi, keep stream on for the whole night because I'm trying to sleep during this stream. You're trying to sleep? Why? Why are you going to try to sleep during the stream, man? Whew, it's going to be tough, man. All night? Mudkip, dude. Maybe, dude. Maybe we will. Tip my wizard hat to you, man. Okay, thanks for subbing to the channel, dude. Thanks for, dude, I love it when we have new subs and then the subs will actually say something afterwards. So it's like, oh wow, that was a legit person, human being that, you know, was watching and they enjoyed or hated what I did, right? Okay, just waiting on Restream. Thanks, Restream, for being so terrible. Courting multiple women is healthy. Having multiple relations with many women, probably not good. Yeah, Mike Lamb. No doubt, man. It certainly is okay to do that. Yeah, of course, you don't want to be doing the nasty stuff. But yeah, courting is good, man, because it builds confidence and it makes you not needy and all that, right? You're not like reliant on one female to make or break your evening or whatever, and then, you know, you're like not over texting, all that. Yeah, dude, certainly. How do you sub, Christian? You do things, man. You just do things. Once you learn how to sub, you are ready. You are ready for your training. Okay. Jeb Cohen, thanks for the sub, man. You said something earlier, dude. Thank you, man, for being here. All right, Mudkip, thanks for, well, sleep well, dude. Sleep well. We'll probably play some really, really loud noises. Once you start getting close to going into REM cycle, we're going to just blare some crazy, crazy music that's going to freak you out, okay, man? If that's cool. Sweet. No sleep, Mike? Work till 7 a.m., dude? It's okay, man. Work hard, dude. Beard is gone, bros, man. It is gone. A new age has begun. We found out that Season 5 of Game of Coins, the adversity was not just PC issues, but it seems like the finale, yes? Let it be decreed that Season 5 has ended. Season 5 of Game of Coins is over. It ended with my heart getting destroyed and me shaving my beard. So really, I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all think this should be Season 6 of Game of Coins, the beginning, or the end? I think this is the beginning of, it's like we came into the show, Game of Coins, my bad, with me with a shaven beard, and it's like, holy crap, Season 6 has begun. Season 6. You would, if you've been following me for over a year now, you know each season. Actually, a lot of people that were watching the stream, even like a year ago, don't even know what Season 1 was, which is cool. That's fine. But there are 5 completed seasons to Game of Coins, and we've just begun Season 6 tonight. Okay. God. Holy Hogwarts, Mike Stevens. Exactly, dude. Take time to travel, focus on yourself, and continue to evolve and grow. Yeah, dude, I have to still, like, man up and buy a $1,500 laptop to be, like, because I will be traveling. I thought I was traveling with someone, now I'm traveling alone, and that's going to suck really bad, but, and I'm going to be in Cali for 5 days, and it's going to be rough when I'm, like, in between, like, hanging out with people out there and be like, I guess I'll stream with the laptop, which will be great. Hopefully from the beach and stuff. Dude, what is happening? Restream's so bad now, dude. Dude, this is pathetic, man. I can't even. I'm going back to YouTube stream. Really? Hold on. Dude, where am I? Okay, I've caught back up. I'm trying. Oh, I have not caught up. I've caught up on where I'm supposed to be. Gandalf defeated the dragon, became Gandalf the White. No, Rick Schmitz, that was not a dragon. That was a Balrog. Come on, dude. It was not a dragon. A dragon would be like Smog. Balrog is a force, an evil force in the world of Middle Earth, right? It's, yeah, dude. Anyway, it's right around the same power level as a Gandalf. But Gandalf was brought back by the Valar, because Gandalf's sole purpose was to lead the army of men and elves and dwarves. Only a few dwarves, right, at that point, against Sauron. So, and you know, with the vacancy and the white Gandalf, you know, the white wizard, he took over, right? And then Saruman got wrecked, dude, for being stupid. I should not have any problems picking up the women's with the pimp hat, dude. Where I am, that's funny. Where's the orb, dude? The orb is right here, man. Do you understand, Zachary, man? How many souls I've collected in here, man? S-coin souls. Look, Benito. You can almost see Benito's soul in there, dude. Destroyed. But no, I haven't set it up on my stream deck, nor have I implemented it into my OBS, so that's why it has not happened yet. Zachary, man. I mean, I could probably do it. Just don't. It looks weird, dude. Level 9 race spell. Pump XRP to 589. Speech requirement over 589,000. Regents require a beard. No, dude. I'm sorry, man. I had a beard and it didn't work. I tried. Just didn't have the power level. I'm so behind it. MSP prospect? What is MSP, dude? Oh, sorry, dude. It's not on TradingView. I knew it, man. I could smell the S-coinness. I could sense it, dude. Wizardry sense of S-coin, not on TradingView. MSP. BNB to Litecoin. Wolf of Worcester, dude. I looked. It's not on TradingView, dude. It's not there, dude. I think MTL is too late, right? MTL like exploded, right? I've been super liked? Dang, dude. Been super liked on Tinder, dude. That just happened. But, you know, oh god, who's super liked me? Dude, on Tinder, man, it's like 99% is swiping left. That's all I did, just swiping left. I'm like, okay. Yep. Nope. Nope. Like 90% is me saying no to that. Whatever that was. Okay, so not looking good, man. You're new here, Zipper Man. What coin project do I like the best in crypto? I like Bitcoin, man. I like Lightning Network. What's wrong with that, man? Lightning Network's gonna, you know, look, Bitcoin's got the most confirmations of transactions in the history of all blockchain. It's #1, and it's working on technology that will destroy the competition. I mean, XRP is good, global banking solution, but then JP Morgan coin's coming out, right? So Binance coin, I love it because it's an exchange. It makes money no matter what happens with buys and sells. I've always loved Binance coin, right? Because of that. I love Monero because it's fungibility, it's privacy. It is the most pure form of privacy coin that exists on the planet. I love Monero because of that. It has a great use case. With everything else being a public ledger, Monero uses multiple forms of technology to be the most private coin that exists. Okay, I love Monero because of that. But you're talking about, that's fundamentally, I guess, right? Technically, we loved Bitcoin. We've been loving Bitcoin. EOS was good. We loved EOS, technically, before its explosion up like, good God, 30+% from that entry area. NEO was good, technically. I don't know much about NEO fundamentally. It's like the Chinese Ethereum or something, but dude, like, I don't know. This is a TA show, technical analyst show, right? So it's like we look at charts to make decisions on good areas of low risk, high reward opportunities, right? And that's what this show is. So, but hey, I'm okay to talk about the fundamental aspects of some cryptos because, you know, I think some are good. Most are dog crap. Most are terrible that will die off and be gone and won't exist in 5 years.
Who says things like don't get wrecked? What a dumpster fire. Push in real life now. Admit it.
Thanks so much, Mr. Canatomo, for the 321 contribution. Love you, dude. Dude, you just made us somehow that held in the jar. Now I think we're the 1414 fib extension, dude, of the jar, dude. Much love. So Zipperman, I hope that helped to answer the question a little bit. Okay. If you stick around, maybe hopefully we can help change your perception a little bit about crypto if you have one that's, I don't know, like, dude, it's just, a lot of people just think crypto is like this life-changing thing that's going to change their life because of charts, right? But you shouldn't think about it like that. I mean, technical analysis can help you trade your way to success, but you know, the Great FOMO ushered in so many new market participants that had never been in traditional markets, so they didn't really understand what was happening. A bubble, and it popped, and we went from 20,000 now down to 3,100, and hey, we're back up to 3,880. But hey, man, 78% retrace from low to high. Gartley, Kangs, dude, just beautiful. TA's fake, man. TA's fake. Yeah, right. So about William Baker, man, the beard is gone. Yes, sir, it is. It is. What's up, Sam P? You think Bitcoin's going to the moon, man? Hey, we're at the moon, dude. Both our targets are hit. Or two. We have a third one. But the third one's normally just like novelty. It's almost like, hey, man, if you're doing some real big, crazy things, your third target's going to get hit. And I just don't know if we're going to hit that third target. I'd love to. Let's see. That's our third target is 4,100. So, or the 1272, which I think is like 4,200 and change. What? Crap. Throttle, dude. Sorry, my kilobytes per second just went down to 0. Not bad. So you probably just saw some really bad lag. I don't understand, Gels. He says, I heard people over here into doing stuff and really respecting the TA. Well, I've seen some and I kind of like doing stuff too. And I get to thinking about stuff and I really want to do stuff with people. Excellent contribution to the chat, Gelish. Wonderful, dude. Yeah, John Doe, wizard without a beard. That's it, dude. Mitch, is it probable the Bitcoin runs again to the upside of 4,200 then test 3,100? Yes. Yes. That is, there's a probability of that. I don't know the percentage, okay, of probability. I don't know. But yeah, of course, dude. So Slav, I mean, Milady's? Sure, dude. Isn't Milady's like Fedora stuff, though, that's weird? And that, like, what are they called? Incels? No thanks. I look naked, blockchain bulls? Thanks, man. Hopefully I don't get banned for being naked. Okay. Because that's against TOS for YouTube and Twitch. You don't look at me that much, Miss Kentomo? Oh, I'm offended, dude. Too many girled out there. It will improve like Bitcoin. Thanks, Christian, dude, for the kind words of encouragement, man. Season 8? No. Season 6, Kang Logan. Come on, man. You're confused. Who is this trader? We want Mitch back. Tom S., I'm sorry, man, but Mitch is gone for a very long time. Okay. Until I realign my center, my balance that made me So happy. I was very happy. Dude, y'all don't understand. Like, I was like in a very good place up until a few days ago. It was awesome, man. It was awesome. Maybe it's the beard that got us in the bear market. Good call. Yeah, it's weird because, like, I'll tell you, before I started streaming, I had shaved my beard, and my beard grew back during the crash. And then I started streaming, and I had a beard. And then it went on. So, yeah, dude, it might have been it, dude. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Alessandro, we actually looked at BTT earlier. BT Scrubs. It's a price contraction right now in BTT. It's making consecutive lower highs, but now it's actually formed a higher low. So price contraction, about 75 to 80% of the way through the maturation of that process. It's a neutral pattern, so we don't know, break the upside downside, wait for confirmation, but it could be a very large move the upside downside with that neutral pattern. I'm sorry, man, this is a neutral pattern. It's not my fault. Oh my god, man. Bitcoin is king, man. It really is. Come on, dude. People saying it's not king are people that just are fanboys, because this thing dictates the entire market. You know that. Holy crap, man! Like, so much chat missed, dude. There you go, Mike Stevens. Exactly, dude. Well, no one's saying I'm depressed, Jonathan, man. I'm just, I'm grieving. I can definitely grieve over a loss. Loss is something I thought that was pretty special, but evidently it wasn't. Evidently it was nothing. Okay. Nancy is the Vikings' younger brother, man. No, it's actually just season 6 of Game of Coins, dude. Okay, changes come. Thanks, Christian, man. I don't know if that's true. There's no way. How can anyone... What is Crypto Kirby at on subs, dude? Like, probably like 20, 50, 100,000. Yeah, 32,000 subs, man. Dude, I got like 4,260 subs, man. Come on. Dude, I can't... I get like 3 subs a day on average. You know, over the month, man, the past 30 days, I've only got like 150 subs, when some crypto channels or trading channels have like over like 1,500 new subs in a month. And it's just like, what am I supposed to do, man? Like, I don't really care. I guess I'm not getting exposure to my YouTube partner because I don't monetize my videos with ads. What would I title each season of Game of Coins? I don't know, man. I don't think there are titles to seasons. Who titles their seasons, actually, man? That's the question to ask, right? Go to Mexico. William Baker, good place to stream. They're plenty, dude. I could stream anywhere, man. I'm in Alabama. I might as well be in Mexico right now. Capo. Holy crap. Anyway, whatever, dude. Don't be gross. Don't get wrecked. Don't fire. Mr. Kingdom, of course I said those things IRL, but I'm only just talking to y'all, right? No, like, a lot of times if I am actually in a situation, social situation, I'm like, okay, I gotta remember, these people don't talk like me, okay? I gotta be normal. We're in a conservative Alabama. We gotta be cool, man. All right. Guess what is 47? This is me. I'm Mitch's twin, man. I'm his little brother, his twin. I've killed him and I've taken over, or something else. Many things. Is Bitcoin Hex the biggest scam, Antsy? Absolutely, dude, because Trevon James is pushing it, peddling it. It's actually in the description of his streams and videos, dude. Yes, it's a scam. Don't touch it. One would not want to touch it if they didn't want to get wrecked. Okay, dude. That guy pushed the living crap out of BitConnect. And that's it. Did he even apologize? Can someone that follows that guy even apologize about what he's done, what he did? Does he actually do technical analysis? Because he tries to claim he does crypto weather when he doesn't even know how to forecast actual moves, impulses. Right here, we got it within $5, dude. $5 of our entry. Kangs. Okay. You know, it's funny. The Lightning Network for Bitcoin has more transactions going on now than it had even at the peak of the Great FOMO. That's what I've read. So, Lightning Network, I think, is still the king, man, and it should not be, you know, written off, because I know there's faster blockchain and stuff, but Lightning Network is amazing, dude. Zachary, look, you can see Benito's still in there, dude. Destroyed. Oh my god, man. It's gold, dude. It's freaking platinum, man. It's palladium, or whatever you say. However you say it, dude. Did I check out Quant yet? Hold on, dude. Let me check my notes. No, we didn't check out Quant yet, dude. It's alright. Normally we look at Quant right after Ripple because it's such a powerful, amazing coin, Kappa, but no, we have not looked at Quant. I don't think Quant's on TradingView, man. Alright. Oh, it actually is. It's on Bittrex. Wow. Alright, man. Here's Quant. Here's your Quant, man. Bull pole, bull flag, or something, right? Got a stupid wick there. It's a daily time scale. 4 hour. Here we go, man. Here we go. Alright, disregard the wick. Kind of makes sense, right? Just whatever, dude. Like, it looks bullish. This looks very, very bullish, dude. I mean, I'm not kidding, man. It really does. I mean, look, impulse up, down some consolidation to some degree. You actually have some support right here on Quant. Look, the only reason I know Quant exists is because when I look at the top 100 coin market cap leaders, I'll post their logo on the gainers, losers. And so this is the first time I ever looked at Quant on a chart. So whatever, man, for all the jokes we make about it, look, it started, it moved up, it's now going slightly down sloping, kind of sideways, and it could be setting up for higher prices. Just saying, man. I mean, like, it could obviously dump, but this looks like, I mean, it's like a descending triangle, right, to a certain degree, right? 1 and 2. I don't know, the wick. What are you gonna do with the wick, man? That's a big rejection wick, sell off. You have a support here and down sloping resistance. That's descending triangle of some sort, right? So, but I kind of like it just because the impulse was up, and we just can't break below this 101,026 sat area. So there's your Quant, your express Quant. Okay. There you go, Zipper Man. That was for you, dude. Thanks again for the sub, man, and welcome to the community. Pundy has dividends. That's one positive thing, and they're also selling cell phones in India, man. Uh-oh, Craig Wright. He went after Bitcoin. He thinks Bitcoin's going to get wrecked. Now he thinks privacy coin's going to get wrecked too. Okay, man. The Mexicans at work were shilling Monero and laughing. All right, man. You sure they were Mexican? I don't know, dude. It could have just been human beings. Doge won't exist in 5 years. Keith Currency. All right, remind me. Alexia, in 5 years. Keith Currency community said it, man. No, I agree, Christian, man. I think I don't think crypto more to blockchain or blockchain technology will do that. Surely, Bitcoin itself, right? Alternative currency. It's an actual currency versus money. What's a currency? And it's money, right? It's an alternative to money. Store value, decentralized, so it's safe. And third world countries, I think, are going to benefit the most from blockchain or Bitcoin in the short term. You had 1 million XLM at one point. You sold early. Jeez, Hainsey, man. Whew. Is Los here for trading better for trading, or will you have to spend too much time shaving now? Antsy, dude, you have no idea how much I have to trim my beard, dude, or had to trim my beard, dude. It was like every few days, every couple days, easy. Just I don't even look. I didn't use my like real blade, dude. I just used clippers, and you can't even tell, dude. Even 1080p, you can't even tell, man. Right, so where are you? Where's our lowest point? Retrace to hit if dumping occurs, aka where are the support levels current to this price below us? Support levels, I would look for fibs for that, and we already have it plotted here. I think I would like to see us test the downsloping old resistance as a support. That's near the 20 moving average as well on the 4 hour. I'd like to see us maybe if we're lucky we could sell off there and hit that and then bullishly engulf, you know, right, like Litecoin did. Remember, like you break it down some resistance, you back test it, you round out, and then you run again. But the thing is, what's going on right now, I get it, we're going sideways with bearishly engulfed. It clearly could just be the top 78% retrace from your C to D, high to low, 78% retrace. Fib node, perfect touch, and a big red candle. But the thing is, we're at a low point to high point, a 23% retrace, a shallow retrace from our minor low to a minor high, and so we're now technically just right at overbought instead of being extremely overbought. 87, we're now down to 70. If you go sideways a little bit longer, or if you sell off some more and get down to 3,800 or so, you're gonna be not overbought, and you might have an opportunity to run again to become overbought one more time to make some real bearish divergence from a high to a higher high up here to make lower levels of relative strength. Just thinking, right? We have not formed, I don't think we're at a real retrace from the major low to high. The major low being down here to this side. We have not even retraced 23% of the way. So anyway, there you go, swing trader dude. Why is everyone obsessed with 4K? And see, well, any kind of 4K, 5K, 6K, a billion K, right? They're all psychological rounded numbers. So people will just psychologically be like, oh, it's a resistance, it's support. You'll hold or not be able to break it, right? Because of that. Streaming a banana hammock. All right, dude. All in on the banana hammocks, dude. Let's do it, dude. Holy crap. Thanks to the 140 people still here. I don't even know. I don't even, my YouTube chat just screwed up. My restream's stupid. Oh my God. Sure thing, Miss Kenton, but they still hurt. They still don't feel good. Whatever they are, they still feel terrible, especially after, you know, breaking up and stuff. That is terrible. It's like, really, I don't even know. Like, I didn't even deserve what I got, man. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. Like, I didn't do anything to deserve what happened to me. So, I mean, in my opinion, by biased opinion, I guess, right? I guess I'm just an idiot. But whatever, man. There you go, Dan, man. Triple MACD, Class A bullish effort, and just get right. Sitting back a little bit, move my mic closer to my face, dude. Okay. Oh, I have no idea, Jonathan, man. Because I don't think I'm depressed. I'm just grieving. That's it, dude. Big, I think depression's like numbness and you don't like care, or you like instead of like feeling really sad and like hurt and stuff, I'd be on stream like, okay, man, we're looking at Bitcoin and I don't know what to do. Like, I get that's like depression, right? I'm just like really, you know, when you stop feeling emotions, that's something when depression is real. So I don't know that. I've never really been depressed. I've always grieved though when bad things happen to me, real bad. Did I shave my whole body? Nah, dude. What's the point, dude? I'm single now. Gabo. Maybe I should. I don't know. I'm just waiting on restream, man. This is so stupid. I can't just scroll through chat, man. We are addicts like Trevor something says. Yeah, I guess so, Jonathan, man. What's up, Bradley, dude? Whole numbers, half numbers, and quarters all work at psychological levels. Bradley, man, where you been, man? Why you been lurking, dude? Don't be lurking, dude. Can't she see the stream? I want to act like you don't give an F. Hansie, I highly doubt where she is. I highly doubt she's watching the stream, dude. I see, like, I swear to God, I highly doubt she's watching the stream, dude. Okay. Because it might be I ain't gonna talk about it, man. It's like, it's seriously like more painful because of like, it's not like she just like broke up with me because she needed like space. It's not even like that. It's so, it hurts so bad, dude. Like, it's just like, there are ways to make things worse, to make things feel worse than they would be. Like, all right, don't really want to go into it. Okay, anyway. Thanks, Bearable Guy 321. Much love, dude. Exes watch things, dude. He right? Yeah, but they don't watch things like when they have when they're occupied. All right, so yeah, who cares though, exactly? Motek, he's sensing major movements. I just feel like we're going to move tonight. Motek. Come on, dude. I just don't understand. Dude, this is killing me, dude. I can't even use... Restream's gotten so bad now, I can't even, like, scroll. Like, it just freezes like an idiot, dude. I hate it. What if we start in chat? Exactly. Jesus, dude. Restream sucks. I'm about to like exit out of it. Restart it or something. Time heals, yep. Oh, we're good here, right here. Receptivity? What about a gush, man? What about receptivity, dude? That's right, Handsy. Respect the TA. That's a sign I'm better to get out of it. Damn, yep. Pretty much. I can't even, like... I'm just gonna use YouTube chat. It's so stupid, dude. I'm about to, like, literally rage quit, restream forever.
OMG, I got super pissed for him. WTF, who is this kid? Where's Mitch? Dig the new look, dude. Don't with it.
Thanks, Dog Man, for the 444 repeating, of course, dude. Much love, man. Alright. Very much appreciated. I'm glad you like it, man. Glad you like it, dude. Just changes happen, right? So. Beardless Wizard is more interesting than a bull market. Yeah, I guess so, John Doe, right? What's up, Peyton Manning's a sex offender, dude? Chinese coming. Is that you, Kills for a living, dude? I am the unbearded dude. That's me, dude. It's Mitch Ray. Mitch Ray's brother. Or no, it's really just me. It's just now, it's episode 1 of season 6 of Game of Coins, dude. That's all it is. We're getting to the end game. Deep world now. Star Wars Worlds can feel moves coming. Kang Logan, exactly, dude. Jonathan, man, I'm sorry, dude. That's really messed up, man. Wow. I'm sorry, dude. Dude, that's the thing, Zipper. Like, thank God that as soon as my heart got broken, Bitcoin exploded to the upside, man. Like, yeah, wonderful. I need a digital Storm PC. Those PCs are godly. Dude, Bradley, man, are you kidding, dude? You know I have an over at this point. Dude, this PC right here, Bradley, we talk about godly. This is a godly PC, man. I'll give you all the specs of my PC, man, but this thing is unreal. This is a huge, huge way of saying thank you to this audience, these viewers, you included, because, dude, this thing is probably the most powerful PC in the state I live in, all right? Personal use PC, right? At home. No one's got a PC better than this here where I live. No freaking way. I'd love to see it, and if it is better, is it because it's not aesthetically pleasing like mine? It's not super sexual like my PC. I mean, dude, really? Come on, dude. Let's go, dude. Let's go, baby. Let's go. With the rainbows. All right, no one can touch this thing in my state. All right, bring it on. Yeah, dude. No need. This is a custom built PC. I don't need someone to make it for me. We made it ourselves. She'll regret it when she finds out I'm successful and rich. Well, the thing is, unfortunately, which is so sad, you know, I told her I think she's making the biggest mistake of her life with what she's doing. And she started crying, and she thinks she knows she is. And it's like, all right, have a good life. Have a good life. So. Oh, man, music stopped. Sorry, man. I feel so weird without a beard, though. It is weird. So Patrick came in. You've been tuning in a bit, but you've been unpacking because you moved out of your apartment. So you've been missing in action. Landed a new gig. Congrats, Patrick, man, on the new job, man. Very, very cool, dude. And no worries either way, man. If you can, that's awesome. If not, hey, no worries, man. It's never been built around that. This has all been free education, free content. It's like if you feel like it unobtrusively to contribute to the stream, that's wonderful. But hey, if not, that's cool too, man. Like, it's beautiful. I can't even hear that. Can y'all hear it? I should definitely be able to hear it. It's louder than it should be. Dang. That's good right there. 200 likes? Dang, y'all are amazing. I freaking love y'all. Thank you. Ted time. Yes, side girl. Let's do it. Let's do it. Specs, bro. Okay, I'll hook you up. Hold on. I'll post them in YouTube. Give me 2 seconds, though. Gotta copy paste the friggin' cookies, man. Paste the. Whoa. One on Twitch. Here you go. Here are my specs. That's it right there, dude. Well, nope. I can't post them. Gosh dang it. And then my case. There's my case. There are my specs, dude. There are my specs. Get wrecked. Bro, if you check my specs out, Bradley, man, I have a supercomputer. I seriously do have a supercomputer, man. I have a 2970 Threadripper, 21080 Ti SLI'd GPUs, 1300 plus power supply. I mean, that's super computing. Well, I was hoping, Hainsey, that was what I was going to do with this girl here before, man. Okay. But, Dominique, that'd be amazing, man. And it's so sad I'm such a bee that I would probably do that because I'm such an idiot. I'm so weak, man. For now. Fortunately, what'll happen is I'll move on. I'll find someone else who actually understands. And see, that's the problem, dude. You understand where I live now? How tough it is to get some woman to understand the life I live, what I do for a living. Like, it just doesn't make sense where I am. Like, people are really weird here. What is live stream? What is that weird stuff, man? Like, no one gets it. Barely anyone in most of the country or the world even gets what I do for a freaking real living, dude. Okay, it's just because we're in such a like revolutionary new stage. We're like in the 1700s of America, but for like real live streaming, dude. That's where we are, dude. We're at the beginning of it all. Y'all need to see that. All right, Bulkowski. Oh my God, imagine me like calling up Bulkowski. Hey man, I have a tattoo of your face on my butt, man. You want to do an interview, dude? He'd be like, no thanks, man. Don't ever go on Ice Poseidon stream. For every one person who would actually get value from the stream, you'd have 500 to 1,000 to come in every day and be taught. Bob the Builder, man, I've never had the real serious thought of ever trying to get in touch with Ice Poseidon, dude. Like, that community, yeah, dude, they don't have a regard for anything qualitative. It's all quantitative, okay? It's all, I don't know, man. It's a weird phenomenon. Hey, and you know what, man? Congrats. I love it, dude, because he has revolutionized IRL streaming. He himself, despite his community, is cutting edge. He started it. I have respect for him profoundly because of what he's done. But the way he's done it is a different way than I would have done it. And I'm trying to do everything I can in my own way. And I take note of what he does and how he does things certain ways. So I do have a lot of respect for Ice Poseidon, just specifically because of the innovation or the innovative ideas he's had. Right. So it's weird, though. The IRL world, TTS, text to speech, you know, we get the Jesus chimes. That is used to multiple reasons for the most part. High majority of times. It's to, while someone's IRL streaming, they use loudspeaker or whatever to embarrass the streamer, to denigrate the streamer and embarrass them at the same time. And also to denigrate the streamer. Like, if they're not in public, it's like to talk crap about the streamer to his face and to say all these bad things about that streamer. That's just the inverse of the way it should be. You know, I've only had one of those, and it was actually someone I knew in IRL that like literally severed ties with because they were so psycho, toxic friendship, dude. Guys went nuts, alcoholic. He went bad, man. I've never seen anything like it, and I had to cut him out of my life. I remember Dan. Remember him? Julia? I know Julia and a few others remember him. He went nuts, man. He went psycho. He wanted to start his own like YouTube channel, all this. And he was like demanding I give him clout and all this, and then he was like, talking a bunch of crap to me before he even demanded it. And it's like, dude, are you out of your mind, dude? I don't know, man. Like, something about streaming makes people go crazy. Anyway, whatever it is. Okay. Just be happy that I got to experience it. Everything happens for a reason. The universe works in mysterious ways. Everything will fall into place. Bradley, man, thanks, dude, for the words of encouragement. Yeah, dude, I think it will. I think in the long term that things will play out better. I think I'll find someone that's more compatible for me and maybe more stable, that really, really gets me. And lessons I've learned too. I learned things. Okay, so it's not like I didn't learn. Definitely learned. Do the arm thing, bro. Sticky. I did it, man. I did it. Where are the tunes? They're here, Alex. They're here. Okay. Yeah, Julia. Yes. Exactly. Yes, King Logan, he did. He went nuts, dude. He was like literally threatening to ruin what I've got and stuff. And like, I couldn't believe, dude, like, I'd known this guy since kindergarten, man. It was such a freaking shock to me how nuts he went. He went crazy, man. Psychotic. He saw me taking off and was like, oh my God, this guy, he's taking off, and I'm working a 9 to 5, and I can't believe it, he's taking off. I either need to get on that plane, or I'm going to threaten to destroy that plane. There's no, I'm happy for you, man. It's so cool what you're doing. It's innovative, creative. Do it, man. It wasn't like that. And it's sad. But, dude, toxicity. If you got toxic people in your life, you have to grow up and you have to take them out. Take them out of your life. Cut them out, man. It's because it won't get better, man. A lot of people don't change. Seriously. Move to California, King Logan. All right, man. Let me live in that shack next to you, dude. Okay. Sorry, I can't afford to live in Cali, man. It's just ridiculous. Unless Seth comes in here after his big deal and just throws 300 grand at me. Sure, dude. But until then, I can't. Just can't. Like, I just can't afford it, man. It's just too much. I don't want to live like a peasant in Cali. When I could live most places, everywhere else in the whole country, I could live fine. Like, Cali's just different, man. It's just different. Cost of living so extremely high. It's that guy. It's too dang high. It's that meme, dude. Turn to the dark side. Yeah, he joined many others, Julia. You know the many others that have turned to the dark side to see me, what's happened in my life. People change. People go nuts. People go insane. When those dollar bills start showing up, people go nuts, man. More magic potion, Alex, man. I got to get some more ice, but what do y'all think? Should I just get off stream? I mean, I've been live now for 3 hours talking. Okay, we did a ton of TA, but now we're just kind of like really, really late. What is it, Tuesday? Wednesday now? It's like Wednesday morning? Yeah, dude. Oh my God. Dude, my old life, I'd be having to get up, have a networking meeting at 8 a.m. at some bank. Okay. Yeah, I was kind of talking about, well, it wasn't talked about at all. It was serious. It was crazy stuff, man. Like, it was crazy. I didn't talk about it with anyone, really, hardly. And the only reason anyone even thought about it or knew about it was because people saw what the guy said on the TTS when he tipped me. So it just was, yeah. So exposed, man. Good morning, Eric Anthony, dude. Will I go on the Bat Show now, Aunt C, dude? Why don't we just do, does this even work anymore? I don't even know. I haven't messed with it in a while. We haven't. Here I am, man. Here I am. Look at that jar, dude. Holy crap. IRL stream. The PC's there. Ah, I did not mess with the PC. That's off. I didn't edit that one. I needed to, but now it's just IRL stream, I guess. Bring back the beard game. No way, Jack Black. Maybe when I find some new center and balance to my romance life, I'll grow it back. But until then, it's now season 6, episode 1 of Tea of Mitre. All right, Game of Coins. That's right, Dan, dude. Some people are just toxic, man. And they change. Things happen in their life that aren't good, and I know a lot of bad stuff happened in his life, his schematics, things that happened that made him who he is, and it made him hardened and real bad. So feels so weird, man. Just feels weird. Kind of we draw a trend line from March, June 23rd, and extend it. Could be a significant support. Yeah, maybe, man. We have those long, drawn-out charts and stuff. Do you think the U.S. debt bubble will collapse? Of course, man. Of course, Bradley did. How do I think the crypto market will respond if it does? Well, Bradley, man, if there's like loss of, excuse me, if there's loss of like jobs, if it was something like the global financial crisis, I think crypto will crash. I think it will crash real bad. But If it's just some sort of technical pullback, oh man, well, we just couldn't sustain prices so high, like we couldn't do it, man. I think when the crash happens, dude, it'll be really bad. You know, IMF says we're 50% more in debt than we were in 2007, 2008. So I think if there's a really, really bad crash, think about crypto. Crypto is a speculative market. Speculative market that has no real fundamental underlying value. So I would look at, Bradley, the US dollar, okay? The US dollar sinks, Bitcoin is normally inversing that, and so are a lot of other currency pairs. You can almost look at like Bitcoin to the US dollar and Forex, right? It's like just one of another type of pair that's paired to the US dollar, right? So when Bitcoin, or when the US dollar dumps, this and many other currency pairs will go up. So you're looking for the US dollar to do bad, for Bitcoin to do particularly better. So I don't know how much it's correlating with the stock market, right? Because you see gold as a commodity is going up while the stock market's going up there. It's just weird, man. That's like very, very scary stuff, man. That's not normally how it's supposed to go. Normally they should inverse each other, and they're not. Everything's oil, energy, everything's just kind of going together, man. Everything's just going up, dude. All right. Money does crazy things to people for sure. Yeah, Robert Kirk, it sure does, man. It's mad how many people have gone crazy towards me. Yeah, Julia, it's only the beginning, man. Or woman. It's only the beginning, and it's certainly not the end. They're not the first, and they're not the last. I'm sure other people will go crazy on me, too. Stay on. Let's get it. Let's get lit, Jack Black. I don't have any other people saying that. Whoops. What happened? Oh, sorry. It's pretty corny, but let's get 1s for get another drink, 2 for get off stream. Okay. Do it. Dude, it's not like I have like it's not like I was hiding anything when I had a beard, right? When I had a beard, like sometimes people will grow a beard because they're hiding their really scrubby genetic chin bone, right? I don't have like it's not like I was hiding anything with the beard. It was just I had a beard and I could grow a beard and I liked it. And I like Lord of the Rings and I like people with beards. Like I was like, hey man, they look cool. They like Aragorn with this beard, man. I'm gonna have a beard too. Like that's it, man. And now it's like I don't have a beard. It's not like I was hiding. Okay. 1 for stay, get drink. 2 for no. Expose those 8s don't count. Only 1 counts. I don't even know, man. I think we have like 2 people watching. 130 people here. Oh my god, man, we did it, dude. Music work. Yeah, Jay. Well, I was just waiting for. I don't even know, man. It seems like kind of. George Washington toked weed, man. Dang, man, I don't want to kill the vibe, man. Dang. Okay. What was the question, Mike Stevens? If Mike Stevens should shave his head, we would type 1 in chat. If Mike Stevens should not shave his head, type 2. So like no one's saying 2. So like yeah, Mike Stevens, you're gonna have to shave your head now. Okay, that was the question, and we got our answer. Okay, you're screwed, dude. Screwed. What's up, bands? Oh, your tunes, Alex, man. All right. Guess I'm gonna get another beverage. Who cares, man? Like whatever, man. Oh. Single is now. So be right back. Love y'all.